sun will set for you. Queso. Hello, everyone. Welcome in. We are. Oh my God, so good, so right on time.
I mean, whatever. It's cool. We don't really care.
Welcome in, Book Dragon. Welcome in, Alteragen, Maker Plays, Creepa Hunter.
It's okay to say Knocker, I guess.
Yeah, whatever.
Whatever.
Oh yeah, actually, it's like whatever. I don't even care it's y'all
Yeah, we
here.
don't even care.
I don't even care. Like,
Take my hair down at you.
like it's fine. You can stay, but whatever. Hi, my name is Freedane and whatever and friends. But hello MJ. She's popping in to say happy birthday. Welcome in. Good to see you.
Oh,
I mean, like whatever though. It's good to see you. Alteragen. Carlo, Creepa Hunter, Make a Plays, Brother Dog, welcome in. Yeah, my name is Freedane, friends. It is this girl's birthday here. Tale of Two Kitties, welcome in. And of course, our good friends Kevin and BB from Kevin's Cafe Live are here today.
I don't know which camera.
Camera. No, that one for now. That one for now. But then it will switch to this one.
She has a crown on.
I have a little crown.
For Dane and whatever friends.
It's the birthday one.
Nice subscribe.
Oh, it's perfect.
So we are here today to raise funds for the. Okay, and here comes the Bees Daily Streams. Well, okay then.
Thank you,
Have a trip around the Sunday.
Daily Strums.
MJ, thank you for the nice words. That was really kind of you. Welcome in, Andy Mount Hood, Brian O'Brien, Christy Lou, Bees Daily Streams. Welcome in, everybody. We're about to get rated from Jazz, our good friend Jazzy as well. We are here to raise funds for the Streamboard Music Showcase. Now we're on this camera here, by the way. Okay, so just so we're clear about that. Hi again.
Number two.
Hello, camera number 2. We're raising funds for the Streamboard Music Streamer Showcase 2026, happening August 28th and 29th. We're all going to be there. Very excited about that. In fact, our Euro vacation numero dos. Chipperdoodle, Cecil Bones, Scat Cat. Welcome in, everybody.
What's up, Andy?
So you can see down at the bottom that we have some milestones, and we're going to explain this again when they come in a moment. Aquí fueron los quesos supremos sesos. I haven't even said the words. I'm so sorry. Guys, it's los supremos sesos. Sí, señorita. Oh my God.
Yeah,
I forgot about the
did,
screen. Hold on.
rehearsed it so many
Do you see what's happened? I'm so sorry. All right. You guys talk for a little bit. I gotta
talk
fix
for a little
boxes.
bit.
Brian, thank you so much for the raid.
Welcome,
Oh, yes.
I mean,
Should we do like a...
Oh, an emo.
Yeah, you can do that. That's fine. That's great.
Ooh.
I mean,
Let's do it.
Ooh, okay.
Whatever we're gonna stream.
Take quesos, sesos.
Sesos.
We
Whatever
got
we're
Bees
gonna
Daily
stream.
Streams.
Whatever, man. All right.
Our cafes. I don't even know what I'm doing.
And the squares are in the right place.
And have all you raiders and...
Whatever, man.
Yes.
And we.
We, oh, we, yes.
Yes. Come on, put my square back.
Get off all your raiders and weep.
And we.
Sorry, we're not ready for you yet. Hi, Brother Dog.
We're almost ready.
I was not ready for you.
We're not quite ready for prime time.
See you,
Okay, we're
brother
so ready. No,
Down.
we're beyond ready. We're beyond.
are singing.
a
Well,
lot of
we feel pretty ready. Yeah, there we go. All right, so very good. We got all right, we've got everyone on the screens. We again, thank you, Bees Daily Streams.
Jeez,
What a
so
fantastic
weird.
person.
Cheese.
Cheese,
That is not
cheese,
random.
cheese,
That's true.
cheese,
That's
cheese,
true.
cheese.
Oh my God, perfect.
Cheese.
Oh, yes.
Quesos.
I'm so excited that we're doing this again.
Ooh,
Welcome in,
Creepa's
everyone.
saying you're giving MCR energy with that red tie. I mean, speaking of MCR energy,
It's pink.
we
That's
got
definitely
Taylor
right.
with that T-shirt.
And
Oh, speaking of, yeah.
Yeah.
Jersey Bryant. Jersey Bryant.
Quarter just.
Jersey Bryant.
Right? Oh my God! Now here comes Jazzy.
Thank you so much.
Welcome in, everybody. You want to play the Wii again? Yeah.
The weep?
Yeah. What key was that again?
Oh, it's just the minor
It's
version.
in minor.
G major. then C minor, F minor.
Whatever.
Thank you, Jimmy.
I don't even care.
Yes,
Jimmy's, we like to call.
Oh, wait, that's it. We
Queso,
so
free.
Yeah, you're right. We got Jazzy
In the stream.
We're weeping though.
weep.
So free. Yeah. Whatever you rate us and sweep. Whatever we're gonna stream. Wow. Queso supremo. Say so.
We got Jazzy in the street.
Say so. I'm so glad you're here or whatever. It's fine. My name. Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy birthday, Taylor.
I'll turn my guitar back up a little bit. There we go. Welcome in, Raider. All you Raiders. I wish I could scroll back up. Beleni, Liam on one, Jazzy, Andy Mount Hood, gang, Kevin, BB,
Yes.
Taylor. We're all here. My name is Ferdinand from
this
Ferdinand
one.
Friends. We are here for so many reasons. One, it's Taylor Tukirty's birthday, so we're celebrating her with a birthday bonanza. No better gift than the gift of friendship, I think. You know, like, and having you all come back for not once, not twice, not tresos, not cuatros, not cincos, but sesos, which of course is Spanish for six. Yeah, it's Jersey Spanish for six. Welcome in, Maddie. Welcome in, Night Angel. Welcome in,
Maddie
Chippy.
and Madeline. Night Angel.
I'm gonna scroll up.
Emo from Night Angel. It's
Who
amazing.
is that?
I don't know.
Who that?
Aiken, thank you so much for the 5 community gift subs just
Aiken.
now. That was so nice. And Jazzy, of course, thanks for
Got
the
to
raid.
co-work with Aiken yesterday.
Ooh.
Oh
Didn't we?
yeah,
Was
we
that
have, to,
yesterday?
we have to show you guys this cool.
Yes.
No, nice. Do we have a clip?
Co-working game.
Do we have a clip? Or?
We'll show you. We'll
Okay.
show you.
Oh no,
I was gonna say.
We
all right.
didn't. We were just on Discord. We didn't.
You guys got to tell me if we're throwing to a clip. Christy Lou, welcome in. Cecil or Cliff, yeah. Cecil Bones, welcome in. Lenny and Bri, of course. Brother Dog.
Hype
Oh, no,
train.
there's a hype train.
Wait, we just what? Oh, we got that hype train incoming.
I wish everyone dance now.
Just say hello to your little butt.
It did say hold on to your little bus. No one else can hear that. Gang, okay, so here's what we're gonna do. Well, let's play Guess the Songy. Yeah, you wanna do that? Wait, with stuff on the list.
Oh sure. Yeah,
let's
you
do
take it
that.
away. Oh nice.
Take it away.
You know what? Let me
And I'll
just go
jump in.
ahead and zoom in just a little bit.
Okay, nice.
Gang,
Take me away.
gang, because we're raising funds for the Streamborn Music Festival, and exclamation dono, if I'm correct, should get you that thing. Boy, I cannot.
Maybe.
No?
Did I change it?
What did you change it
I
to
don't
then?
know.
Oh, great.
We can talk about incentives
Nope,
if you want.
That's wrong.
All right.
Yeah, no, make her. If we could have no. Oh, boy. All right. Well, you know, it's her birthday. It's her birthday. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I failed, Maker.
How about this one? Let's start with Let's start with this one. If you can see that.
That one.
We can talk about it.
Taco Bell.
Oh,
Taco
Mocker,
Bell,
could
yeah.
you also post it in our Discord that we're live
Thank
over
you,
here?
Maker.
Thank you so much,
You're
Mocker.
the best mother.
Mad love, everyone, mad love.
Oh, yes.
D. You got it.
Yeah,
Yes, but what song, Creep? We're playing Guess the Song.
What's the song?
Meow, 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 meow.
Here we
Book
go,
Dragon has it.
Because it's only me and I walk alone.
Meow, meow. Meow,
It's
meow.
Chip. I walk alone. I walk alone.
Well done.
Meow, meow. All right, gang. Good one. This one stumps them every time. Let's do
Okay.
Let's do that one. Yeah.
What key?
Get
C, I think. Yeah.
Get still.
1, 2, 3, 4. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow.
I love the meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.
Meow, meow,
Meow,
meow,
meow.
meow, 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 meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. I think we stumped them again.
We win this round.
Oh,
We won that
Chips-
point.
Chips got it.
One. One. Oh.
Ooh, Book Drag.
One.
No, no.
Got nothing. Ew. Point us. We'll never tell you what that is.
We're never going to say what it
Until we
is.
sing it,
Play it
maybe.
later.
Yeah,
It's a
exactly.
different part of the song though, Book Drag. It's not gone too soon.
No, it's so close.
Oh.
Chippy
Yeah.
is going to come to you too late, I'm
That
sure.
is a lyric.
It's very close.
Okay, that's
Close.
lyric, but
Keep
we
going
won
with
this one.
that.
We won this one.
We'll come back.
Yeah.
We'll circle back. We'll circle
We
back.
finally
Circle
won
back, circle back,
something.
We did finally win something. Ray Train is still going. Gang, I do wish you would save your money and donate to the Streamborn in case. But just in case you do
There's
decide.
incentives that Maker might be updating the command for.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Mom. We love you.
Yes, and
Mom.
hello, welcome in, Johnny Hall.
Good.
Welcome in. Don't let them win chat. Yeah, I was gonna say though, and thank you all for the hype train. It's about 40 seconds. I would encourage you. Let's let it go. Let's let it go. Anything that does come in by the way of subs or bits, I will donate back to Streamborn. But I'd rather have you just do it directly. Let's not do any kind of money laundering as Night Angel keeps accusing us of doing. Night Angel several points ago. It's like, oh yeah, no, that's money laundering for sure. And it is. It really is. But we are so grateful for this. Thank you again, Aiken, for the 5 gift subs. Thank you so much, Maker, for the gift sub.
Birthday.
Um,
Ooh, ooh.
Pyong, pyong, pyong.
I want to say thank you again to Jazzy for rating us, and thank you for giving us a little bit of extra time to get ready here. Because obviously, there's some doing to get ready for these things. But we are very excited. Night Angel says layering. That is one of the 3 steps. I wrote that down, Night Angel. All right, I'm going to put all my Bitcoin into it. Thank you. All my fraction of Bitcoin into it. So thank you again for the subs. Y'all are wonderful. We're going to start with a song. So here's the deal. So there are incentives, as we said, as we go through here. As you can see the scroller here. For these. We also have milestones. So once we get to 50 euros, we're gonna do rock blocks. That is as many of the band songs that we can do in like half an hour. All right. So
42.
immediately 42 for Bry. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness. Okay.
Those tattoos. So.
Bry, what a guy.
Do we all tattoo?
Yeah, we all tattoo.
One at a time?
I think we so.
I like one sponge.
I think so.
We can use the paper towels.
Oh, yeah.
Let 'em-
Oh, and 10 from Lenny as
from
well.
Lenny.
10 from Lenny as
Wait,
well.
that means we're already on our first rock block.
We're already on our first rock block. Okay, very
Oh,
good.
yeah.
All
All
right.
right. So we've got
Fantastic.
different-
We're still going to do a warm up anyway.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
Can't rock.
Uh,
Rock, rock.
But I want to say, okay, so both of y'all also get a priority request, for sure. Anyone who
Thank you, happy
and
birthday,
Aiken coming in with a 10, so you get a priority request too. We're not opening the song list up. If you go to our queue, !SL, we'll take you to the queue right now. There's a bunch of songs already in there, so you choose one of those songs off that particular list. There's 56 songs, so hopefully there's something that wets your whistle here today. We have a bunch of emo songs, we have punk rock songs, but we also have originals as well. We can see I see them on the screen here, and just fun stuff for Taylor.
Yeah.
Fun stuff. Fun
Yeah,
stuff.
we're here to have fun, good vibes, and good
Those incentives
times,
are not correct.
or whatever. No,
Because I failed miserably.
it's her birthday.
I didn't
We're gonna let it all go.
change
We're gonna let it all go. It's fine. It's fine.
Right.
But here's.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
I know. Hold on,
Streaming
I'm
is
gonna
hard,
make-
you
I'm gonna
guys.
send it to you right now. I'm gonna send it to you.
Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
Right
Yeah, you
now.
sent it to me in
Right.
text form,
Should we
so I
warm
was
up?
gonna. Yeah, let's
Yeah,
warm
yeah,
up.
yeah.
Let's warm up.
And then we'll pick some tattoos.
Ooh, Bryce says my
Ooh,
songs
should we-
know what you
okay.
did in the
Do you want me to
dark.
pack?
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
So that,
So
that'll
all
be
of
the
those I
next
have them
one we
already
do, I
cut
think.
out. So this is like the example thing. So they're all on there.
Which one? I'm
So I
sorry.
have them cut
Yeah,
out.
which one?
Which one do we want?
We're really making Maker earn his sword today.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, my guy.
I want
text-
the melty smiley face. Oh,
That one's like right there. Really?
Maker, I'll find a way to make it up to you. Maker up to you.
Make her-
For sure.
make her-
Yeah.
We do appreciate you all your efforts here today, and especially putting the raid train
Use the
together.
mods.
where will I put it?
I'll just take the top.
Where
one.
will it go?
Hello, I am emo.
Oh my gosh, that's
We
hilarious.
can have like neck tattoos.
All right, so I'm
Do I
gonna.
need to
move
cut
that
it
Ooh,
out?
okay, I'm
Oh
gonna
wait,
do
is this a
next
sticker? Oh, thanks.
Is it a sticker though?
No, we got
They're
cut
tats.
out here.
They're cats. They're cats.
Well, that's fantastic. Oh, it
Oh, how
changed.
cute.
Yeah,
No, we're
yeah,
starting with the
yeah.
middle though. Whoever just did that, we're put the middle back up.
Oh,
We're
yes.
gonna start with that as the warm up song, and then we're gonna do my songs. Know what you did in the dark.
Noise.
Side.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to help me.
Yeah, there we go. All right,
Should
thank you
probably
very
do
much.
something Closer.
Appreciate you.
Yeah,
There we go.
yeah.
We can.
That's what I'm gonna do too.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's
Okay,
already
next
bigger.
I have no
Copy
arm.
Yeah.
No arm space.
Hold on.
No
I'll-
real estate
I'll
of
help you, I'll
arms.
help you.
Oh.
You have no
Send this to
arms?
Maker, and then I'll help
What am
you.
I looking? Oh, I got it.
Oh, there she is. Yeah.
There she. Okay, we can probably between the two of us figure this out.
Yeah. Do you want me to do yours?
And gang, please let us know as we go through the first song. Then
Thank you for the tat. Thanks for tatting
Thanks,
us up.
everyone.
how levels
What,
are.
what was it? 42? Okay.
You're doing great.
Thank you so much. It's there. I don't know. I can't move it now.
Okay.
Ah,
Oh,
okay,
sorry.
too much. You didn't
Too
squeeze it out. Oh
I
my god.
did.
Oh, okay. Sorry, you didn't squeeze it.
I'm not sure what's happening. Is this a real
I'm
tattoo?
so sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah, we're really tattooing.
I was like, what's
Okay.
what is the deal
It's
there?
banged up.
Oh
It's
my
not on the
goodness.
piano though, right?
Why did
No,
that
no, no,
go
we're
so
far
much
away.
bigger?
Okay.
Here we go.
Sorry about that.
Moonlight Alice, thank you so much for saying
Appreciate
happy
it.
birthday. Scat
I
Cat,
believe
Maker,
you.
Aiken, thank you all so much.
That's your quite moist.
I believe you. It's
All
a
right, my
very
I
friends.
guess
thin
it doesn't need much
sponge.
water.
Yeah, it's very thin. Okay, I think that was enough water though, right? Or
Yeah.
you don't
Oh
need
yeah,
it?
no, it's
Yeah.
Thank you all again so much
Just
for
a
the donations.
Just a little squiz.
So sorry.
All right.
Matching tabs.
I love when the band's back together. This
so
is fun.
sorry.
I
That
don't
was
know.
so chaotic.
We spend most of the time putting tattoos on and eating cheese,
Yeah,
but you
tattoos.
know,
I love it.
every once in a while.
Yes.
Oh, I have that. I'm like, where's the bag that I have?
Hit you, hit you.
happened
Is your thing off?
Yeah, that thing.
I don't know.
Because we're so
I didn't touch it.
ready. Oh,
No.
sorry. Do you need
No,
help?
okay, okay.
Okay, you got it. I could have probably done it myself.
Yeah.
I don't know what
It's
it's
okay.
attached to. I don't
Jazzy, whoa!
Whoa, Jazzy!
Jazzy, what
110.
happened? Jazzy with an 110. Jazzy.
Goodness.
know. Did we hit
I
the
said my
rock
band
block?
quite a bit.
Yeah.
Ah! Jazzy, that's gonna be us tomorrow.
Yeah,
I
we've
think.
hit
We
all
have
the
a
rock
band
blocks
word
already.
one.
Oh yeah, all the rocks.
All the rock
Complete.
blocks.
Pretty sure, yeah.
Let's
With
do
that
it.
110, that
Or
that
does
gets us to
count for
100.
yours?
I knew we should have discussed whether or not to make them more.
That's, oh, I don't
All
know.
the rock blocks.
Oh no, missed the
Well, all right then. All right, yeah, we're gonna go through all the rock blocks today. There's gonna be so many songs. There's gonna be so many songs.
Yes.
But let's just do a. We're gonna start with a song, and we'll go from there.
We're tattooing.
All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna tat it up. Okay, we
Tat 'em up.
tat 'em up, up, up.
We're gonna be
Should we do it?
Tatted up, up on my fire. We're gonna do the middle to start. Yeah.
Ooh, yeah, okay.
Sorry to smash it right now. Jazzy, you apologize for nothing, my friend. You are wonderful. Thank you so much for that huge donation. That was fantastic. Also, thank you to Johnny Hall for coming in and saying hi. Johnny was part of the raid train today. Very excited to have him back and streaming again. I'll tell you what.
Watch your way.
Oh, look at those incentives
Okay,
now.
okay, now
Yeah.
hold it, hold it.
Hold it.
Yeah, we'll like hold it for like
Jazzy,
30 seconds.
you're a number one in my book. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mocker, for updating the incentive.
What are you
How's-
feeling?
Ooh,
What am I feeling?
phone back.
I'm probably. You know what I'll probably do? I'll probably put a tattoo on after the next song. That's
Okay,
what I'm
after
gonna
the
do.
next
I'm
song.
going to say.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be the band leader. Oh my God! There
Okay,
comes 50
yes.
from Johnny Hall.
Johnny Hall, 50 more.
Okay, and gang, I didn't tell you this, but Johnny challenged my manhood earlier by doing a bunch of push-ups, even though he's already raising 4 kids
Yeah,
and,
it's
and
there.
working all the time.
Face tattoo.
So I have to
Your
do.
face,
in your
Johnny, how many push-ups did you end up doing in the previous broadcast?
Push-ups.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do some push-ups here. I didn't even put them on the list here today. We said no push-ups, but now I have to. So Johnny, if you could just tell me how many push-ups you did, I'll do one more. No, I'm going to do one more. I have to. He did 60,000 push-ups. All right, so I'm just going to do a mere 60,000
Wait,
62?
we're pretty close to the milestone, to the karaoke milestone.
Yeah, it's great. We should do a song.
Already?
Yeah, we're at 222.
Speaking
Do
of
a song
singing,
before they throw more money at us. All right, we haven't done anything yet.
Ours, once we hit 300, Ferdinand and I do a karaoke stream.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
they
do
could.
it-
They
I'm
could
gonna
read.
do it on my stream. Once we hit 600, we all
I'll do
it.
for-
It's at Cheese.
I'm positive they can
karaoke
read.
stream. Quesos.
Cecil, you witnessed 60,000 push-ups in the 2 hours he was on. Okay.
1,000 push-ups. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Christy.
Yeah.
Christy, I swear. I swear.
We were witnessed.
Oh, nope. We're singing right.
I've already put my heart on my
We're
sleeve.
doing
Do not
the
crush
middle,
it.
the middle.
Yeah, we're gonna do the middle.
6,000 euros, my gosh, Mocker.
My gosh, that is incredible. What a good job we've all
Wait, it's
done.
up here, yes?
Right now, it's
Right there?
it's
Is that it?
well no.
Or no? Am I pointing
Yeah,
at it?
yeah,
What are
yeah,
you
the
pointing
bar,
at?
The bar.
Oh, the bar.
Upstairs.
Yeah, you are pointing at the
Upstairs,
bar.
upstairs.
Yeah,
It's up there.
that's the
It's
one.
on the second floor.
That's the bar up there.
Third
Yeah,
one.
it's on the ceiling.
You can actually take it down and eat it. So that's what's fun about that one. But yeah, no, you've all done such a great job, and we're very happy to spend the next 3.5 hours rocking for you. So we're gonna do that,
Charming you with our charms.
and charming you with our charms. Yep,
So many charms.
that's the plan.
So
Look at our
many
charms.
We got so many charms. All right.
What are we doing?
We're gonna probably do the middle. I think we'll
C?
do we'll do it in C. You're gonna do it in
Oh.
C, and you got your own thing over there. I got
Yes.
this thing over here.
We have so many things.
With all the things.
Look at
It's
our
like
things.
surrounded
It's
by
the same thing,
technology.
though, right? Yes. It's
Yes,
the same
okay.
thing.
All right, fantastic.
We need to hear
Is
Taylor.
anyone else in the chat an elder emo?
And you guys let us know if the levels need to come up or down or anything like that. All right. How you feeling?
I'm super.
You feeling birthday?
Sure.
Sure. All right.
Feeling birthday.
Or whatever, man. Johnny just pushed ups really fast. Okay. All right. Guys, I believe he did 60,000 push ups. All right. You don't have to convince me anymore. It's very believable.
Maybe that's so exciting.
All right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out, looked down on. Just try your best. Just try everything you can. And don't you worry what they tell themselves when you're away. It just takes some time, little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Hey, you know they're all the same. You know you're doing better on your own. So don't buy it. Live right now. Just be yourself. It doesn't matter if it's good enough for someone else. It just takes some time, little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. It just takes some time, little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright. Solo time, come on. Hey, don't write yourself off yet. It's only in your head you feel left out, looked down on. Just do your best. Do
wanna say. It just takes some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright.
Acapella?
Just take some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright.
One more time.
Just take some time. Little girl, you're in the middle of the ride. Everything will be just fine. Everything will be alright.
Go.
Yay! We sang one song.
Got one done.
TWG just followed.
Thank you so much.
Wrestling God.
Oh, hello. Thank you, Wrestling God, for the follow. Appreciate you.
Also, I think I saw
Hi,
someone
Mr.
said our
X.
mic should be closer to us. Is that what I heard?
Should we?
Should we move it this way?
Also,
Oh yeah, thank you.
but also for Taylor.
Well, yeah, also for Taylor, but we can get Taylor a little bit more in this microphone too. Any other comments on the audio though? Please be critical. That's fine. What we want to do is sound the best we possibly can for you. Who said it?
Scat Cat.
Scott said, if you can move Kevin and BB's mic a bit closer to them. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah.
Well,
In theory, I could.
Thanks, Brother Doug. I bought it for him
Practicality.
years ago.
In practicality. And yeah, no, absolutely. Just let us know. Can you hear the guitar? Can you hear the piano? Yeah, closer to Taylor and maybe a bit more gain. That's what I was going to say, Scott. I think maybe just
more gain.
a pop, just a little more gain on them.
Did that guy?
In fact, I turned them down earlier.
get that game.
Get that guy.
Can I get that
Get that
game?
gained up.
Can I get that game?
Alright. Did everyone who donated, if you want to pick from the list a song that you want to hear next, some from the songs that are in the queue.
Yes, like the happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Let us know.
And
This way too,
Lenny
right?
and Jazzy and
Well, there's only so much stick I have left there.
Oh, shtick.
He's gonna, I'm
no,
gonna
I got a whole
go into
stick
his
here.
stuff.
The whole stick, yeah.
But shtick.
Guys, look at my adorable.
Oh, donut.
Oh right, we have to do
We have
all
to
of things, don't we?
accessorize.
Ties.
All right, accessorize.
We need
you.
accessories.
And the ties
Sorry.
too, right?
Where are
Do you
all my
want-
things?
Do you want this pretty thing?
Oh my gosh, will you
Where-
thing me, please? Do the thing.
Do the thing.
I have two things
Should
though.
we do it here?
Sure.
My songs know what you did in the dark is next.
My
So that's what
songs
we're going to do now.
know.
And thank you again so much for all the donations so far.
Cute.
So hard to keep track
Yes,
of.
it
Oh,
feels
it's
so
great.
secure.
Everything is
Thank you guys.
so chaotic right now. But we really do
We
appreciate
are
you being
Can I have
here.
another armband?
I love it. We're chaos, we're cheese, we are fun.
I'll double.
What a
double armband.
delight.
Guys, look. Guys, look.
What do you think?
I have a
There
heart
you
on.
It's
Okay.
perfection.
Okay.
It's a heart.
We love it.
heard it. I heard it. It's usually unacceptable, but we'll allow it this
I wore these in
It's
high
usually
school.
unacceptable.
I
Oh, there you go. See, there you go, right there. That's 5 and
Is that
69.
Creepa?
5 point noise.
And 69.
Noise.
Oh,
Noise, thanks for that noise.
Thank you so much for that noise,
All
though.
right. So Fernand needs to pick
I
a
have so many
tattoo
shakies.
from there. I already have them
Oh,
cut
yeah.
out, so just pick from there. what
You pick
want.
one.
Me pick one for you.
Yeah, you pick one. I'm
What
gonna
do you
I'm
want
gonna
on
keep
your
the
neck?
show moving.
Do you want it on your neck?
Yes, I want it on my neck. Of course I
Frida
do.
has to keep the production going.
I've
You
got to
want one
keep
that says, "I
this
love Emo
We
Boys"?
understand.
this whole thing going. I wonder why it's so small on that screen and then so big on this one. You know?
From Jazzy.
Oh, I love that. I love
Still
that.
You know?
emo. That's
With the
definitely.
little stars.
Yes, that's perfect. Like right here, like in your face. Okay,
Right on your face.
right on your.
Excuse me.
Usually the key is D minor. Oh, this is already saved in the way I transcribed it. I believe it was an A minor. I don't have that sheet up either. You know what? After the next song, I believe it was A minor. The careful making windows
Hiccuped
in
on Free Dance Stream.
What happened now?
I
We
hiccuped
should
on
have,
your
we should have
stream.
that just for when you guys are here.
Oh yeah, Maker.
We're at 4 times already. So.
I was gonna say Maker. If you can make a
Already?
counter for Kevin's.
Teenage Dirtbag, yes.
Oh, nice. I love that too.
That's a perfect Taylor tune too.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we can have a Tale of Two Tambos. Mm. Maybe. We'll see.
Alright.
227 noise.
Oh, this is the one I got the lyrics messed up on. All right, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great.
First, I'm gonna tattoo you.
Okay.
What is it called again?
I'm just quite
My
confident
songs
in
know what you
My
did in the
songs know
dark.
what you did in the dark.
in the chorus,
I
but
think.
Yes, me too.
Freedane has the verses down pat, right?
Careful making wishes and the
Uh.
dark, can't be sure when they hit their mark. And besides, in the meantime, time. I'm just dreaming of
Taylor's a
tearing
professional
you
talent
apart. There should be 2
artist.
times
Sure
there,
is.
right?
Thank you.
I'm in the
She's gonna make us
details with
beautiful.
the
in the
You
night.
guys are
devils
already
on the
beautiful.
wheel can never get me.
Yeah.
This is as much practice as I'm gonna get.
Sexy. Yeah, this
This
is
is all my
sexy.
time, I'm a saying,
Schmecksy.
compass doors, love is
See?
raised.
Schmexy.
Show.
We're doing it in A minor.
A minor. Okay.
Yeah, this says D minor, but the first note
But
should
it's
be A
full of
minor.
lies.
Yeah.
It's locked.
Well,
Yeah.
I keep saying this wrong. It's actually the key of C, but whatever. You know,
Oh, yeah.
you know what I mean.
Oh, we see. I
Yeah,
see.
yeah.
You see?
I always go by whatever the first note is in the thing. You know.
So
Yeah, the A minor should be the first note.
Where's my?
I'm in the details with the. Oh, was that the A minor? Shit. All right. I'll get it. I'm sure I'll get it.
The next page. All right, ready.
Great.
Second time play through.
That's
Taylor.
great. Yep.
Woo! First time playthrough for us. For all
Ours
of
was-
us
ours was
together.
Wednesday.
Okay. First time playthrough. Be nice.
yes, true.
Oh, babe.
Freedom's gonna get it. I will help you out of the chorus.
Yeah, we got you on
That's all,
that.
that's all I got. Fire!
Oh, yeah, actually, we're gonna need your fire then,
Yeah.
if we could.
I will bring the fire.
If you could just bring the fire.
You can
that's
just light
fine.
it up.
We got you.
But
We'll
Kevin,
light-
if you could bring the ice. All right, we're gonna need to
Ooh,
cool
yes.
off the fire. So,
We need all the elements of it.
all right, we've all got our plans now. That's good.
Oh, I'll practice it.
Light 'em up, I'm on fire. Light 'em up, oh, I'm on fire. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty
The
good.
extra.
Is that the song?
Yeah.
That's the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's like the whole thing.
You got it.
Okay. Sorry, that was really loud.
Thank you, Mr. X.
Thank you, Mr. X.
Hi, thank you. Thank you so
Hi,
much.
Mama Alice.
I don't know where to look, y'all. You
I
guys,
guess.
I don't know.
Hi, Valeni.
Y'all
where
have
to
the
go?
big brains. You can
Oh,
handle
no.
all
Oh,
these
it's just
screens.
highway.
All these screens.
I think it's probably why I'm going cross-eyed.
You have so many screens in front of
I know,
you.
it's like,
It is
there's
very impressive.
So many screens
Yeah.
here.
It's
There's
too many
one
screens.
just playing a
yeah.
music video.
Yeah, one's just
over
like
there.
chilling. It's
Sideways.
just like in a waiting room. It's just
Yeah.
like
Right.
playing some.
If I could put it in a closet, I would.
And it's also sideways. So
Music
we're
video
like,
90
yeah.
degrees.
It's just-
When I play with
That's not the
Jake,
look at
I
it.
get distracted by it. I start watching the video and I'm like, oh wait, I'm supposed to be
I just
doing
love it.
something.
It's just,
Whatever.
it's just.
It's like a whole thing. There's a whole thing going on here.
I love it.
FOB.
All right, gang. All
Okay,
right.
sorry.
No, you're doing great. You're doing fantastic. And
Yo,
you're there. 1, 2, 3. Da 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 da. No. In the dark, dark. In the dark, we'll take it again. In the dark, dark. Careful making wishes in the dark, dark. Can't be sure when they hit their mark. The signs in the mean time. Just dreaming of tearing you apart. I'm in the deep details with the devil. No, the world can never get me on my level. I just gotta get you off the cage. I'm a long lover's lane. Gonna need a spark to ignite. My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, I'm on fire. Light 'em up, whoa, whoa, I'm on fire. Oh, in the dark, dark, in the dark, dark. All the writers keep writing. There's other pretty vain times. I've got the scars from tomorrow, and I wish you could see that you're the antidote to everything except for me. A constellation of tears on your lashes, everything in love that burned to ashes in the end. Everything alive, childhood's back. fighting back the monsters that you see. My songs know what you did and done. So light 'em up, up, light 'em up, 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 light 'em up, up, up on fire. Light 'em up, up, whoa, whoa, on fire. My songs know what you did in the dark. My songs know what you did in the dark. So light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, up on fire. Light 'em up, whoa, whoa, on fire. Oh, in the dark, dark, oh, in the dark, dark. Taylor, I love you. I love you, Taylor. We can't possibly honk after every song.
It's my birthday, and I will honk if I want to. I need to write down all these so I know who to make bracelets for.
Mocker's already taking note of it. I did see that.
Mocker
You're a
always
star.
Thank you, Wrestling
Mocker
God.
is working. Mocker is
With
working.
an E, working with
Every
an E.
maker's working for the
Oh,
weekend.
we got
Nice,
269, 69.
I can barely keep track of what's going on here. Mino Floof, thank you so much for the follow
my goodness.
and the Wrestling God, and thank you again, Chris Swan, for that
Aw,
donation.
Chris
Oh my
Swan.
goodness gracious! So yeah,
Oh, yes.
I need to go back. I mean,
We have
so
ours
many.
tomorrow too, Mocker.
Right.
Oh, that's
So
true.
we'll both make. We're both
Oh,
both
yes.
make it.
Thank you, Mocker.
We're bracelets machines.
Yeah.
Do you know what I liked better with the string ones? Though I like the way these look.
Yes.
Is that the string ones are more portable.
I know. You
Oh.
can't really
Yeah,
send the
you
beads.
can't really like bring the beads with you.
I know.
Okay, I see.
Or
I see
send
what's
that.
happening
Thank you
here.
so
I have to do
much.
push-ups.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I see them.
Floof.
It's somehow
you,
someone
Mino
got on the
Floof.
thing.
What do you got?
Johnny Hall requested push-ups as the
Oh.
next.
Push-ups. But wait, from whom?
Well, from me, of course. That's
I
just
was
gonna
gonna
be.
say,
I'm gonna
we
have to
didn't-
do
We
them.
didn't discuss this in
Well,
our
no.
conversation.
I do a
no.
plank.
It's not
No.
our rider.
I know, right?
I can
yeah.
stand on one foot. Can I do that?
Yes, you can do that in lieu of push-ups. You can absolutely do that. That'll be adorable. All right. So Johnny, can we get a final count though on how many push-ups? I don't think I can do all of them in one sitting though.
Also,
I think I'm gonna
where-
have
Where are
to.
you gonna do them?
I'm gonna go over there.
Break them up.
Ah!
Oh, no, we lost
Everything's
everything.
gone.
No, it's just sand now.
This is my constant disaster right there. Where
a beautiful
everything
disaster.
goes away. Oh my
We've
god.
got a lot of money. Should we add more accessorize?
Oh my gosh,
Sure.
yes.
Oh, I do
Guys,
Sure.
we have so many cuffs. Cuff it
Yeah,
up,
yeah.
Oh, we
up,
got
up,
cuffs?
cuff it
We're gonna do
up,
so many
up,
songs in the rock
Headbands?
blocks.
Headbands. I want a headband.
I'll do the
Alright.
spike.
So I've got
I have some glasses.
catacorn.
Go, Frida, go.
Wait, what do you
Frida,
pick
go.
first? I also have
I'll put on
60?
these. I'll put on these pink cat ears since I'm a pink cat.
pink head ears. Okay.
60 plus 1? Oh, gosh.
Oh, look at you.
Do you
Stretch
also
it
want
out,
beach shell?
stretch
Yeah,
out,
they're also
Frida.
pink.
I'd have to put them on top of my
Okay,
normal
so-
Don't want to breathe
Glasses on
into
glasses.
it.
I'm a cat. I'm a
Glasses on
cat.
glasses.
Glasses on glasses.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay. Great.
All
Okay,
right.
do you want a mouse ears behind your donut ears?
Stretch out for at
Double
least
ears.
20
Ooh, so many
seconds.
earsies.
I don't know.
20 seconds.
And they could be
What's
like,
that?
duh, I'm a
More
mouse.
ears?
Oh,
Oh, you got some
I got
cuffs. All
already-
right, we got
oh,
some
yes.
cuffs.
Oh, he got cups. He cupped it up.
All right.
Yeah.
For next time. For
Yeah,
next
yeah.
time.
Okay, great.
Stretch it.
We'll make,
Stretch
we'll
it.
make
Gotta
should,
stretch it out.
should Fridane wear the fancy ears?
Fancy
When he comes
ears.
back, fancy
Yes. Oh my gosh, that's
Once I
perfect
come
for his
back,
Once you come
outfit.
back.
That would complete the look.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So that's it.
I'm not gonna do 60 in one sitting. We'll see how many I can get.
Okay.
Oh, you playing? Oh my goodness. Should I sit on him? I'd break him.
Do it.
Meow, 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 meow.
There it is. Key change. We forgot. Key change.
Spooky.
Wow.
Did we say we were gonna do Dirtbag next?
20.
Dirtbag, right? Dirtbag next. I don't know where to look. Yeah, dirtbag.
Our shoes.
Dirtbag.
30.
Wow. Go, 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 go. It's okay. Take a break. Take a break if you need. 36. 36. Count them. 36.
Pass out a little bit.
No. Take some water. Drink some water.
Stand up.
Hey,
Pass out. I gotta pass out.
No, you're done. You're done.
Here, have some chips. Have like some.
Should I have some
Yeah, you just eat something. Get some calories in.
Oh,
Calories
definitely
in.
need to
Because you just had calories out.
Yeah.
Calories
Exactly.
in.
Calories out.
Oh, you got it. Let's go.
Powered, and I'm
Okay,
gonna-
go, go,
Mark-
go. Okay.
Marcus,
Are
like
we
those
still
last
going?
5
Oh,
are like
okay.
half push-ups.
It's fine.
Marcus,
it's
shush.
fine. It counts.
What?
It counts. Oh my goodness.
I
You're
got
so
full
good.
push-up.
Go, go, go. Do it.
50.
Ah!
No, you could do it.
I'm gonna do it.
I know, right? So good.
I'm gonna do it.
You did great. You did so good. You come back to it later. My goodness. Have them crackers. Those are fun for your ones. They're really good, right?
So good.
Yeah, right.
Mm-hmm.
They're like Target brand. So
Yeah, you can
have
cut me
crackers,
off.
you guys.
Nice.
Okay.
Right.
No more crackers?
No.
No.
Love a guy. Turns out crackers were a poor choice.
Oh
Well, you kept going.
I mean, I
no!
powered through.
Definitely water though.
Oh, yeah.
Sing for us.
No single stitches.
I'm doing great, Johnny. I'm doing fine. Don't worry about this.
You're the one that brought up the push-ups. You brought this on yourself. Hi, Book Dragon.
And I still have 12 more to do, so I beat Johnny's record by 2 today. Yes.
No, thanks for them memories.
But I'll probably do like another 30 just to really show them up. So, yeah. Thanks for the memories.
I thought we were doing Teenage Dirtbag.
No,
Get
Teenage Dirtbag is
But
next.
thanks for the memories did get moved up.
Okay. Well, because of the rock block, though,
Yeah,
right?
it's the rock blocks.
Oh,
Right,
got
because
it,
I was
got it,
going to
got
say,
it.
once we get into a rock block, we're into a rock block.
Oh,
Yeah,
we're
yeah,
rocking
yeah.
it out.
And then we're just gonna like.
Ooh, okay, I love it.
Gotcha.
Right, okay.
Go for you,
Oh,
Dave. Go.
is that me, not a bell?
Which?
Oh, maybe.
The
Oh,
cat
well,
ears?
Billy's don't.
He
Yeah.
was gonna wear the cat ears and then he. Put them
Oh,
on.
yeah. Okay, nice.
What'd you do with your cat ears? You gotta wear them, snitch. You gotta accessorize.
I'm doing so good right now. This is
Oh,
good.
you're so pretty.
I'm doing so good. Hold on one second. I gotta fix the camera.
Do you
Oh,
want
no,
cheese? No, not cheese. Sorry, not cheese. No,
No,
bad.
No, cheese is a
no,
bad choice.
no, bad cheese.
I've got
Sorry.
fig. Do you want
I'm
fig?
sorry. I'm
that's a
trying to
bad
help. I'm
choice.
not helping at
Want
all.
some fig?
You know what would help right now with me? Another song. What are we doing?
Done. we can
Thanks
do
for the
that.
memories, I think.
Or dirtbag?
We're gonna do Teenage Dirtbag.
Okay.
And then we're gonna do. We're okay. So.
You wanna do rock block?
Well, here's what we'll do. We'll go through these requests here, and then we will
Okay.
get into the Fall Out Boy rock block.
Okay.
And while we're in the Fall Out Boy rock block, we're not going to be
Play
moving
all
others.
shit.
We're not moving other songs up in that meantime. So you can request songs for after the rock block.
Yeah.
And we'll go as fast as we can through those songs. So
Like,
that's going to
charge
be.
through it.
We're gonna go real
Watch
freaking
us.
fast. But in the meantime, Teenage Dirtbag.
Take a breath.
A different
Take
kind of
breath,
workout.
everybody.
Doing great.
This is also a marathon.
Guys, thanks
50
for
push-ups.
being here from the birthday.
That was like,
Crushing
yeah,
it.
really impressive.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
Do you
Yeah.
need more water in here?
Right.
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably.
I won't
Here's
offer you
your
any crackers or
St-
cheese.
Stanley sticker. Oh, it's behind you. You got water over there.
Water. What? You know what? Everyone will drink.
I'm doing fine. Everything's
Oh,
good.
yes.
Water. Let's everyone drink
Everyone
water.
gets
Have a little water. And then we're gonna do some songs.
We're gonna do so many songs.
Mm.
Yeah, Lenny.
songs I don't even know.
If we had room, I would. Yeah.
All right. So we're gonna go back to the
Air
end.
hug. I'm sorry. Real hug. Air.
I love it.
Do you see where my
A hug. Yeah, a hug from Beebs is the hugs you need. Headphones.
Hydration
Shouldn't they be
stage.
attached to something? There.
It must be attached to something.
My one arm is very warm and cozy because of all my armbands.
All right.
Ooh,
I should have split them up.
cozy.
You guys are so cozy right now, and I love that for us.
What are we doing?
We are doing Teenage Dirtbag in C. We're doing it in Taylor
Book
tuning.
Dragon.
In the key of Taylor.
The key of
Let's go.
Taylor. Book Dragon is the one that told me that figs are carnivorous and eat wasps.
Yeah.
So
I remember
guys,
that day.
everyone get your figs. Get your fig plants.
Get your figs
Are
on.
they plants?
That's weird.
Fig.
It's a weird thing.
Guy. I don't know.
Do they come from plant? Is it a plant? Do we all need fig plants?
Plant.
I don't know where anything comes from.
No, I gotta take this one ring off because it always tries to fly off during the song.
Oh, okay.
I got a tenuous grasp of
I
the
would have been
knowledge.
ready.
I'm pretty sure I have a cracker stuck in my lung somewhere.
I'm so sorry.
No, it was
I
my
didn't know
fault.
you were gonna go
Fine.
right back into it.
was my
I
fault.
thought
We
we were
thought
gonna take
you
a
were
break. I
done.
really thought.
Well,
I
plus
thought that was like a longer break.
It's mostly my fault. I ate them
Yeah.
like Cookie Monster eats cookies, you know, like, you know, like, and now
Right,
I'm
right, Tony
absolutely
Hawk?
regretting that.
Exactly.
Yeah. Figs are weird like that, but yummy.
Yeah.
You're absolutely right. Davey, good to see you, my friend.
Davey, are you eating a sandwich right now?
Oh my gosh, we were lurking on Davey's stream last night.
Oh, it was
every
so
day
intense,
with
you
the
guys. You
commentary
guys
as
were
well.
fabulous.
Crazy.
Wasn't it?
We had finally an overtime.
Do you remember?
I loved it. I loved every moment of it.
I was part of that overtime. I'm so happy about that.
yeah.
Oh, were you really? It's
I was
just a
voting.
moment to
I
be
was
part
just
of.
in the
Yeah.
show.
Queso Supremos.
Yes.
Queso Supremos.
Thanks for coming in, Davey.
Mm-hmm. You know, it's like
Hey,
stuck
can I
in
get
my
a happy
throat.
birthday? Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to Kenzie. Ooh, happy
Ooh,
birthday,
happy birthday
Kenzie.
to Kenzie.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. It's a great day. It's the perfect day, actually. For anyone who knows what movie that's from. It's the
Oh,
perfect day.
Pat, look at you. Come on in, guy.
Thank you.
Oh, out for her niece's confirmation reception. Mazel tov. All the best to Too Loud here for me to hear. Oh, okay. Well, fair enough. There'll be a VOD. No worries on that. And Moonlight Alice, thank you again for saying happy birthday.
Thank
We do
you.
appreciate you being
Yeah,
here.
April 25th is the perfect day.
It's
It's not too hot and it's not too cold, and all you need is a light jacket.
Exactly.
It's really good stuff.
That's the same day.
We're gonna do Teenage Dirtbag. Yeah.
Ready.
How do you usually do it? It's,
Wait, come here.
all right. Yep, it's gonna be like that, but hold on.
You like that.
1, 2, 3, 4. Her name is Noelle. I had a dream about her. She rings my bell. Got gym class in half an hour. Oh, how she rocks those kids and tube socks. She doesn't know who I am, and she doesn't give a damn about me, 'cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me. Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Her boyfriend's a dick. He brings a gun to school and he'd simply kick my ass if he knew the truth. He lives on my block and he drives an IROC. He doesn't know who I am. He doesn't give a damn about me, 'cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me. Oh. Oh yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Oh yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Ooh. I love this. Man, I feel like Mo It's proud that and I am lonely, lo and behold, she's walking over to me. This must be fate. My lips start to shake. How does she know who I am? And what would she give a damn about me? Oh yeah, too bad. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Oh yeah, too bad. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Yeah. Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy birthday, Taylor! Yeah, yeah.
Oh, thank you all so much for being here. Oh, that was fun.
Yeah.
Dang, finger.
Oh, I'll tell you what, the harmonies in the room again are as always immaculate. It's just so much fun. Oh my god.
Thanks, guys.
That's a 4 Z's there. Yeah.
Thanks for the gifts too, Pat. The
Oh, thank
gifts
you,
to
Pat.
Davey and Lenny.
I turned it off. Good.
Aw, thanks, guys.
Thanks, bro.
Oh
Thanks,
my
girl.
goodness.
Thanks,
Look at
girl.
y'all.
Guys.
Thanks, girl.
Thanks,
All right,
everybody.
gang.
Thanks, brother dog.
Thanks, brother dog.
I was gonna say, it looks like we have an ad break starting in about 50 seconds. It's a 3-minute ad break. So, gang, if you want to go refresh your drinks, get something to eat.
Get y'all
Oh,
munchies.
apparently, okay, it just
Oh, it's a dance party though.
it just started. That's weird. That's
Pedal for Dane's mic down a touch and a bit more of Kevin's keys.
yeah. Okay.
Very good.
Kevin's keys.
That sounds like a piano bar.
I love that.
probably is.
Oh
Yeah,
my
yeah.
god.
That's Kevin's Cafe at night.
No,
Yes, annoy.
After hours.
At Noy.
Annoy.
At
Mark
Noy.
started early.
Ah,
Nice.
it works.
Right after
Yeah.
this.
Okay. So yeah, the commercial break is happening now. If you're subscribed, you hear it. If you're not, then whatever. You're not missing anything. Whatever, man.
You okay? Whoa.
Johnny, can you see me? Can you hear me?
something.
I'll do the.
Something fell, right? Something fell.
Honestly, that's been my entire day so far. Something has fallen or broken every time I've touched it.
Nothing
So.
happened. It's
I mean, yeah, exactly. You
Whatever,
saw
man.
not- Clearly, we saw nothing because we
I'm
don't know
gonna
what
do meat.
I don't even
cheese
care.
too.
Meat cheese too.
Meat cheese
Well,
too.
yeah, I think instead of the push-ups, I'll have some meat
A
and cheese,
snack?
please. Yeah, if I could have a snack.
No
Like a
crackers.
Meat cheese tube?
Well, yeah, those crackers were no good, no bueno for me. Yeah. But this meat and cheese
So sorry.
and a circle. Oh, it's okay.
They brought the cafe here, so there's food.
I'm almost 25 years old. I should be able to say no.
Naturally.
Because I'm only 22.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Look who just turned 22
Definitely true.
again.
Sorry. Wow. It's like right into the mic.
What kind of cheese is that?
It's not American.
Not helpful.
I don't remember.
That's not helpful. You know what? Here's the.
It usually comes with the thin meat. Prosciutto.
We're gonna be doing underground.
Maybe around the prosciutto. Maybe some
Um,
provolone.
It might be provolone.
Oh.
Underground.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see.
We've got an original.
So it's actual cheese, but Margaret, we feel the same way.
Oh, okay.
We share that.
Look, Ferdinand hates American cheese. Hates it.
Oh, yeah.
Don't let it near him.
I love that accent you're using.
He doesn't want to smell
Hates
it.
it.
Yeah.
He detests it.
Second,
Yeah. Simply shan't.
Where shall
Simply
I put
shan't.
you? Will you hang out
Underground.
here?
So true, guys.
Look at that. She hangs out in a little.
Oh, there she goes.
Yeah,
She's got a spot.
She got a little spot. She got a little spot.
She knows spot. Meet me out.
Take this. We've got about 30 seconds left before we come
gonna
back
add
from
another
break. We're going to be
accessorize.
singing Happy Birthday to Taylor.
Oh, I like that
No, she
one.
doesn't
And
like
then
that.
going into a song called Underground by a little-known artist by the name of Kevin Chambers. Yeah. Yeah. You may know him from the stream we're in right now.
Wow.
Also from Kevin's Cafe Live.
Well, that's true. Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
Oh, we got that one.
Kevin.
Thank you. I mean, it's cool, whatever.
Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, we don't care.
So I don't think I can do it anymore because I haven't heard it in so long. But when I was in college and I knew a guy named Kevin, and I used to do the Daria from the TV show Daria Britney voice because
I never saw that show.
so Britney's boyfriend, she always called him Kevy.
Okay.
And she just I don't
jeez.
I could also do this really sarcastic one, but Britney's was always like it was very Valley Girl, like high pitched, and it was like Kevy.
Really good.
I have to hear it again. I haven't heard it
yeah.
in so long, but no, I used to be able to do Britney and the really Sandy, because Sandy had like this really like neutral, deep kind of voice. It's not it, but it's close-ish.
Welcome back, everybody, from break. Just glad to have you here again. My name is Ferdinand from Ferdinand and Friends. It's Taylor to Kitty's birthday party.
Hi,
She's
good
telling
to
us-
see you. My birthday party.
And of course, we have Kevin and BB from Kevin's Cafe Live here. Welcome in, Tamanor. Am I saying that right, Tamanor? And of course, shout out to Brian and Brian. We are going.
Tam it.
Damn it.
Damn it. I love
Oh,
Thank
damn
you,
it.
thank you so much.
Damn it all.
Damn it, thank you so
Tam
much.
it all.
Damn it all the way.
And thank you so much. Why do I have my own command in here? That's weird. I don't
People
need
know who
that.
you are.
Oh, yeah, but
Aw.
I'm in my own stream.
Who dis?
Oh,
Who
look
dis?
at
Who
that.
Who dis?
Look at that. We have commands for everybody
Aw,
here.
Everyone gets commands.
Yes. Thanks, Margo.
So,
I actually think the command I have for you guys in my stream is longer than his.
Oh, the goat.
Ooh.
all right, it's not a contest. All right?
It's
It's not about the length of the paragraph. It's
never-
about how
it's not-
effective your heartstrings are moved, you know?
Absolutely. It's how deep, right? It's
Yeah.
not the length.
And talk about them go.
And
Well,
my
okay.
drink today is in this beautiful cat fight coffee mug.
There you
It's
go.
got cat ears. The owner of this
Who's
coffee
laughing at
store
you? Grow up.
is AC Slade, who was in the Misfits and a whole bunch of other awesome rock bands. He played with Joan Jett and Blackhearts.
Sure,
Yeah.
sure. We know
And he
Joan
owns a
Jett.
coffee shop in New Jersey.
Nice.
She loved rock and roll. Yeah. She'd always demand
She
people
did.
put another
Put on.
nickel in the jukebox,
Another
maybe. Yeah.
nickel in that jukebox.
In the jukebox. Let's sing Happy Birthday to Taylor.
Yeah.
Don't know. Happy birthday. Yeah, so we'll do it in a key of C, but we'll start in G. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taylor. Happy birthday to you. Hong Kong girl.
Hi, baby.
Oh, actually, that's to you.
If Pat was here, we would sing it in Hebrew, so.
Next to you.
We flipped a little full.
Me and you.
Oh, yeah.
Gang, the next song is a song called Underground, though.
Oh, right.
We're gonna do Underground. We'll move to the Underground.
Are you asking if it's next or if that's what the song
It is exactly what's next. Okay, so here's the thing, gang. Okay, so we're gonna do tattoos for Jazzy. Oh, I see. We have.
Yeah, we gotta do more tats.
We got to do a lot more tats. Okay, and tattoos for Johnny, and then the FOB rock block starts, and then we're gonna do the
Alright.
full Fall Out Boy rock
All
block.
right, let's do this song.
Fucking rock.
and then
Underground and
we'll-
Run
then
Around.
We'll do another round of tats.
Let's do it.
Tats. More tats.
Yeah,
Okay.
more tats.
Face tat.
Beep, do you need the
I
lyrics
just
for
know
this?
how-
Or are you pretty good without them?
For Underground?
Biebs. Yeah.
Oh, I'm good. I don't
Oh,
know.
okay. I figured. Yeah,
Right?
I've got the words
I
right.
hope
Oh,
so.
yeah.
Okay, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
You'll see what happens.
I forget the words to my own songs all the time. Though,
Right?
you know?
If you mess up, it's your lyrics. So like,
Right.
who's gonna know?
Well, if you sing them enough times, then people will know. Yeah, yeah. The court's gonna be
Guys,
like, you
I
fudged
don't know if
all
you
the whole
saw,
song.
Maker, how much is left before that part is funded? We have like a certain amount that he said
Are
was
we at
left.
2 nice nights or no?
I don't know.
Before what's funded?
And what are we up to in the stream? Did we get?
I can't read anything. It looks to be 6
26
billion
billion
euros.
until
Ooh.
talent milestone.
Ooh, what that mean?
For future.
Well, that pays the
Karaoke.
talents. Yeah, that pays for
Oh,
the
right.
talents
Oh, yes, that
expenses and
too.
things like that. Yeah, you know what the wonderful thing is now, Maker. You have, of course, a Discord for the streamer showcase. You can actually look at the budget if you want to know, like, hey, what am I donating to? What is it going towards? Well, you know, it's as transparent as you could possibly be. As Maker's saying, the artist travel fees and ETC, which I believe means etc. All right, so that's just a little bit of knowledge for you coming y'all's way.
Tambo matches my hair.
Her tambo matches her hair. All right.
Oh, nice.
We're just getting silly today. All right. We're just gonna be silly.
I mean,
You know, just like
Thank you so much.
That's what we're
That's
gonna
so
do.
close,
so
right?
that's awesome.
Pay those artists. Pay those
Oh,
artists.
wait. No, we just went to an even higher.
Huh?
It's
Oh,
even bigger.
I keep looking.
Scat.
What are you
Skitty
saying?
scat scat.
Scat, thank
Scat,
you.
scat.
Oh my god.
Scat,
Let's
what
go.
song do you want on our list right now?
Scat cat.
Scat cat.
Scat cat.
Scat cat. Get funded, nerds.
Thank you, Scat Cat.
It's aggressive, but we'll allow
Did
it.
I
Of course,
get
we
up
will.
to
Yeah.
300 to be hit karaoke strum.
I don't know. I have no
First half of the
idea.
karaoke
I
strum.
think we're close to that. If
Yeah.
we.
it's
Are we close to
to
300 at this point?
I
feel
don't
like
know. I can't remember.
I can't. There's no way. There's no way.
No way
I don't.
to
I
know.
understand. I thought with at least four of the last donators on the screen, we'd keep it a good idea.
Hello.
Hi, why are we all hanging out here?
Hi,
buddy.
Bossy. What do you smell?
There are strangers
Hi,
in here.
Mr.
Yeah, just go ahead and
Bubba.
put your mouth on
Guys,
me. That's fine.
Last time the cafe was here, Luna came in
That's true.
and Kevin got some sniffs.
I love how he's
pet
not
her?
on
Did
screen
she tell
though.
you pet
You
her?
know, I love
I
he's so
get. I mean,
close.
I think
Yeah.
I got just a few
Yeah,
sniffs.
yeah. And now Billy's here. So that means if you come over here enough, eventually you'll see the cats.
Yeah,
They will come in, check you out.
for sure.
Just making
So
sure we're
honored
okay.
right
Yeah.
now. Oh my
Right.
gosh, I was like, don't
Yeah.
move.
Yeah, yeah,
Don't
yeah.
breathe.
Of course he's gone. All right. Fair enough. Well,
Oh, it's aggressive. Who's supposed aggressive?
Wait, we're already past the 300.
Oh, we're past 300.
that's perfectly right.
Scat cat.
Woo. So we got one milestone left, guys. If we get to 600, I think 600, yeah. The Quesos karaoke.
Okay, so let's go.
Karaoke.
338,
Karaoke.
31. So Taylor and I are going to do a karaoke stream now. So thank you all so much. Unbelievably,
Give me the cue, right?
unbelievably generous.
Excuse me.
We're just
And
being
then,
silly.
Queso-oki.
Don't worry about us.
Okay, so-
guys, you've been so
Sorry.
generous already. It's wonderful.
Thank you, everyone. That's awesome. That's so awesome.
Let's pay you back by playing a song.
Play music
I'm going to
for
say,
Done.
I think that's the best way to
Say
do
no
it.
mo.
Say less.
Oh yeah, so doing underground?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Aww.
Tell to Tamba.
Oh yes.
Tell me again. We restarted in there.
What's that?
E. Okay.
Oh yes, it's E major.
Gotcha.
Oh yeah.
You start. Ooh, love that.
I saw you stand there with your headphones on and a torn hole in your jeans, surrounded by 100 eyes. But did you see me in this crowded elevator? Won't you take us down? Let's go underground. See the world beneath
excited.
So love it. It's still on beat though. So we're-
Let the subway come, place the stars in Dodge Line. Several miles later, one away beyond. The time stops, keeps ticking, so the snow is passing. Let's go underground. See the world beneath our roof. Let's go underground. And roll into ourselves. People recall the rifles of us, so let's go. Let's go underground. All get lost between the rails, and no, we don't get stuck. But there's just me and you, and everyone we know. Let's go underground. Let's go underground. Let's go underground. See the world beneath our roof. Let's go underground. Let it all to ourselves. People go rabbit holes of us, and let's go down. Let's go underground.
Yeah, yeah. Let it glitter. Let it glitter.
I was like, I did this before. I remember now.
That sounded so beautiful.
That was really nice.
Yes,
Oh, that was nice. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. This thing is getting in my way, though. I gotta get going.
Oh, wait.
Get up.
Change 'em
Get
up,
it
change 'em
up.
I was gonna say it's getting.
Yeah, switch it up. Switch it up. Let's switch it up. Do you want some
Let
cup?
the hair flow.
You gotta let that hair flow. It's not pointy. Nearly
You
pointy.
need a cup. That's what you need.
Do I need a cuff? Oh, I definitely need a cuff. Yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah. Oh,
Arm
I need
yourself
two.
with a cup.
Anything that binds me is fine. Yeah. What?
What?
What? It's
What?
fine. Everything is
What?
fine. Thank you. Oh,
So
thank
we're
you.
gonna- Yay!
Miss Marion Kay, Aiken again, Brother Dog, Scat Cat, Brian O'Brien, Lenny.
Bro Ice. Thanks for first time
There you
chat.
go.
Ooh, I gotta.
That's okay. It's
Bro,
because
I-
Luna.
This is quite
Luna
nice.
chewed through
Royce.
the bag.
Oh, I forgot about it. I forgot. I'm so sorry.
No, it's
happened?
okay. Don't worry about it.
Oh no.
She have a chance to
It's
do that.
rain and tats.
Tats.
Hallelujah.
It's raining
I think
town.
Jazzy, thank
I'm
you
gonna
so
put
much
this
for the
one on.
request.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna put this sad smiley face on for Dan.
Oh,
I missed
like that.
Pat also gifting a sub
Oh, I
to
like
Davey
that.
and Lenny.
This is
Thank you so
Should I
much.
put it on my face?
This is
On your
fun. This is so much fun.
face.
Let's just take a look. Run around is the next one. Mm.
I think Kev needs this one, and
This?
then you and Ferdinand can match.
Definitely. Oh wait, should I match
broken
you? Should I put a heart on?
We'll both have hearts.
I don't
Okay,
usually
but
do
which
run
side would
around.
you put it on? Should I mirror you or twin you?
Should we mirror or twin, you guys?
Oh, I thought you said Mary.
Well, that too.
I mean,
No, no,
you're into that.
Oh man. All right. All
I
right.
wouldn't say no.
I mean,
Maybe the red
how could
I
you?
have on
You
the
know, how could you?
left.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mirror you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for cuffing me.
What song is this?
So nice.
I guess it's Blues Travelers Run Around.
Ooh, I love this
Ooh.
one.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Nice.
I don't remember the last time any of us
Do you
did
have
this
the
one, but
harmonica?
I
Who plays
do.
the
I did. I put them right behind you. If you want.
Oh.
Well, okay. So here's the thing about that.
Harmonica.
Yeah, I mean,
No,
the harmonica.
No pressure, no pressure.
Well, okay, so John Popper's harmonica is different than the ones I have. He has one of those harmonicas where you can play a lot of different notes, whereas this is just more stuck in whatever thing we're doing. Once upon a midnight dream.
Yeah, I love that song.
That's good. It's so good.
Well, we got you, or we can lower.
Oh, this
it.
one's kind of cute.
Oh my
Let me
god.
see what I
Do it.
transposed it.
I'll do it on my neck.
Yeah.
Do
Neck
it.
tattoo.
Oh, that's such a good one for the neck. Sorry, this looks so funny.
Don't help.
Oh, that one's fun too.
I love this song too. Yeah.
Got it.
All right.
Sorry, there's so much going on.
Guys, we're tatting. We're getting tatted.
We got a tag. Oh, brother dog, thank you so much. That's so sweet.
Thank you, little dog.
Thank you.
This is all right. I guess if we change
Thank
the
you.
thing now.
Looks so funny right now. Yes! I love a good harmonica.
We did it. We did it in D flat for last time we did it.
D flat.
But we can
Yeah,
do
flat.
You have a C harmonica?
I do. Well, hold on, but this one's in G.
it.
This is
Is that the
yeah. So that's up. Oh, unless you're going lower. Yeah. Once upon a midnight dream, you woke with something in my head. I couldn't speak a memory. I mean, we can do it, but okay. So when we come up to the
Chorus?
yeah, if Beebs, if you want to take that, yeah, and I'll
Yes,
do a
sir.
yeah.
Got you.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, yeah.
know if I
I
put
might,
it
I
in
might
the
mirror you
car.
for a little bit though.
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah,
I did
until,
it.
until I find my thing.
So cute.
All right, yeah, we'll just do it in the OG key. It's fine.
Okay, we got you. I got you on the
It
chorus.
just fell off, so I'm assuming that works.
Oh, yes, it's perfect. Yes.
Here's the thing, I can't play guitar and harmonica at the same time. Do you just want to blow in
hold it
You just blow in the
with your
harmonica
mouth?
and hope the good notes come
Hope
out.
for the best. Hope for the best.
I mean, that's what most harmonicas do. It's just like hope for the best. I mean, I might try. I might
cover
try.
you on the.
Yeah, I was gonna say if you give me a
my
little
gosh, yeah.
little backing on that. These were one of the reasons why I was gonna set like a
He
little
had-
drum beat, but
He had the
I kinda
one
don't
that
want
you
to, though.
wear.
Yeah.
Over here.
I have the one you wear.
Didn't you have the harmonica thing that you wear?
Yeah, God knows where that. Oh, that's probably in the basket over there.
Oh.
But yeah, I hate that thing.
Places away.
I hate that thing.
Someone get us
Oh,
a
yeah.
better thing for the
Well,
harmonica.
it's like as a musician, do you want to wear a neck brace while you play? Like that's what it feels like. Like you have
We
this
should
thing
have one
around your
that's more
neck.
like a, I guess it wouldn't be
Oh, yeah.
very
Where you, like,
sturdy.
hang.
I was gonna say more like a
just
one
this-
mic, so it just kind of like had the one
Yeah.
side,
Usually the other one.
Sure.
Yeah.
but then it would be very.
Okay.
If it just had it just underneath it.
Oh,
Wait.
What if it just
someone
had on-
invent that.
Yeah. What if it had just like a
Choker, yeah.
neck braces are sexy, Guzzler. You're absolutely right about that. You know, Guzzler, you'd make it look sexy for sure. You mean a choker? Justin Dumbrink says. Yeah, I think so. I think we mean a choker. You know, I mean buy me a drink first, but yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
Yeah. It's fun.
I'll buy you a drink.
Oh.
I love that. I love that.
Matty.
Once upon
Guys,
a
we're just getting
midnight
all. We're getting all.
We're
dream.
twins.
I think it's gonna probably be a little bit faster. There we go. Once upon-
Should have undone.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try
Well,
that. Yeah.
this will be your next successorizer. You could do a little glovey glove.
Oh my
if you
gosh,
want.
yes. Okay,
Yeah.
done. Let me let me show the goods.
After each song, we'll add something to our person.
Ooh. We're gonna be so accessorized.
So accessory.
Kevin's got the best look. Oh yeah.
It really does, though. It really does. It's
Go,
something
Kev.
incredible.
Yeah, right? He's getting tatted
Incredible.
by himself.
Gang, we're so happy you're all here. Thank you guys so much. I don't know why this is intruding on my chat.
Oh.
Here we go.
Go
Look at this.
for it.
Look at
Coming
this.
on?
Yeah.
Oh,
Still emo,
yeah,
right?
That's
Nice
awesome.
placement.
Oh, look, and now we can see it on both of them.
Yeah.
My
Is it on
butt's,
both
my
of
butt's
them?
vibrating. Please hold.
It's
Oh.
the donut. What? Why is your butt? No.
I'm cutting a phone
Holding.
call.
Okay.
Bye.
Hydrate.
Oh, shoot.
Hydrating. Are we hydrating?
It's definitely the donut ears. I agree, Book Dragon. It's
I have
always.
no ability to hydrate.
Oh, we donuts.
You need
Thank
your
you
Stanley
again.
sticker?
That was so cute because Billy came in and was like looking at us.
Yeah,
while
no,
we were
Billy was
singing.
watching during the song. He was
Oh,
like,
really?
Like
Yeah.
it's just
Mhm.
us.
Yeah.
He's like, whose
Yeah.
voices are those?
Oh,
Aw.
thank you.
He loves being
Very
best friends with
okay.
everybody. So
Thanks for
yeah.
gifting that
Ew.
sub.
Thanks, Miss Marion.
You guys are wonderful. Thank you so
Marion.
Thank you
much.
so much.
And of course, we are raising funds today for
Brenda
Streamborn.
Fabulous. Very nice.
All right,
That
I
bar up there.
think we're about ready to do another song. I think we're gonna
Let's rock it.
we're
Ready.
gonna be-
Ready.
Pushing for now.
I'm gonna take lead on this, but like I said, Beebs, if you want to take that chorus,
The chorus?
yeah.
On
We knew what was
It's
next.
the I mean, we are now like officially.
Yeah.
We are like
We're-
wired.
we're twinsies.
We're wired
Don't we look
now.
like twinsies?
We
I
were
love that so
wireless,
much.
but now we are wired.
And
Mr. X, thank you so much for the
Mr. X.
gifts.
Mr. X, thank you.
You guys are- If you guys are trying to start a hype train, don't, because you can just donate instead, and we do
Donate.
appreciate it.
Donate them.
Oh, that was the kitty cat.
Oh,
Yep, go
I
go.
got.
They
Gotta
are,
go.
are they fighting?
Yeah,
Aw.
every once in a while.
Kitties.
Okay, so-
paying attention to us.
Exactly right. Yeah, so
Sorry.
it's more of a staged fight, all right? Because
Okay,
Luna
it's totally staged.
Luna will present her body for Billy Bear and like turn her back to him, so he has no choice but to jump on her. I mean, that's
Fight
just
me.
makes sense. Yeah.
Fight me.
And then they make these noises because we're all upstairs and they should be played with.
Well,
you
we
know.
heard them. They know what they're doing.
They know exactly what they're doing. All right. So
I do.
I think we're okay now, though.
I hear quiet.
Luna is very dramatic.
Yeah, she's
Luna,
very dramatic,
drama
though.
queen.
She's emo Luna
When
all the
she-
time.
She's emo.
always
Luna, she's
emo.
always
Always-
emo.
she's always
I
emo.
know.
She's got resting bear face.
Well,
It's
so-
ridiculous. Yeah.
When she was still kind of mostly a kitten, I accidentally smushed her tail closing the door to the dishwasher, but like barely.
Barely.
And not even kidding, she screamed.
Horror.
Like,
Oh my
well,
God.
you would have
Letting
thought
her-
like it chopped off her tail.
I hadn't
No.
been scared
It like
like that in some
smushed
time.
it a little bit.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
And she screamed.
She let it
So
out.
when she
I almost
started
did too.
hissing at Billy, she started it.
Oh yeah,
Nope.
she absolutely
They're,
started.
Was it his
they're
right there?
okay. They're all right. They're fine.
You guys.
I broke them up.
We need
Wait,
to
how did you break 'em?
separate
Like,
Yeah, how did you break them up
Put
though?
them in
Yeah.
different rooms? Or
Yeah.
I wish.
Yeah.
They're about to get a
Sort of.
timeout. Gang, let's do this
Hey,
cheerful
I-
Blues Traveler
Not
song.
drama.
Let's do a cheerful Blues Traveler song in the original key of
Yay.
G.
Done.
And then we're gonna get onto
Oh,
that
you can
rock
put that
block,
on your
tattoos
hat
and
after
rock
this.
blocks and songs. Oh my,
I was like, what's behind me?
you guys are doing
It's
great.
Oh, yeah.
John Oakwood.
Yeah.
John Oakwood's here.
Joke.
Little Blue, thank you so much for being here as well. Yeah,
Hi,
and
Little
thanks
Blue.
to who gifted that sub. I'm not quite sure. Mr. X, thanks for
Was
the
that
gift.
from Mr. No.
Miss Marion K, thank you so much. P Farcon, thank you so much.
Thanks for
and
being here.
and
Thanks
all
for
of y'all.
celebrating my birthday with me.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
All right, we're gonna do a little run around.
Well, we're
We're gonna do a little run around. All right.
We're ready.
Run around. Oh my God, they are definitely starting now.
Oh.
I hear something. No,
Heard a
No.
hiss, yeah.
you heard this?
But it,
Yeah, let's
Thank you.
let's just play through it.
Alright.
Okay.
Uh,
Hear it again, right? Yeah.
yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Once upon. No, I don't have reverb. I'm sorry. 1 second.
Yeah. Sing.
Once upon a midnight, dear, you woke with something in my head. Couldn't see a memory of a phone call and what you said. Like a game show contestant with a parting gift, I could not believe my eyes. I saw through the voice of a trusted friend who used to humor me and tell me lies. Yeah, humor me and tell me lies. And I'll lie to and say I don't mind. And as we seek, so shall we find. And when you're feeling open, I'll still be here. And not without a certain degree of fear. Whoa, what will be? You and me, I still can't see things hopefully, but yeah.
Why you wanna give me a run around is a surefire way to speed things up when all it does is slow me down.
Shake with me with my confidence. About a great many things. I've been there, I can see it. Cower like a nervous chicken waiting in the wings. Bad play when the heroes are right. And nobody thinks or expects too much. And Hollywood's calling for the movie rights. Saying, babe, let's keep in touch. Hey, baby, let's keep in touch. One more
Reach me,
and show me all the things that no one else can see. So watch it feel in your mind as well. And soon if we're lucky, we'll be unable to tell what's yours and mine. If she's fine and still not run, would you feed me alive again?
oh, you wanna give me a run around. Is a surefire way to speed things up, and all it does is slow me down. It's a little slow.
It's a little slow. Verse 5, wow.
There's
All
so
right.
many verses. That's all you. We'll get quiet.
Travel down the bumper, dear, this is the father speaking. I got some news for you. It says your ship still stands no matter what you drop, and there ain't a lot that you can do. I'm sure the banner may be torn and the wind's gotten colder. Perhaps I've grown a little cynical.
No shit.
But no matter what the waitress brings, I shall drink it and always be full. Yeah, I'll drink it and always be full. Oh, I like coffee and I like tea, and be able to weather a final plea. I still got this dream that you just can't shake. I love you to the point you can no longer take. Well, right, okay, so be that way. Hope and pray to God there's something left to say, but yeah.
Why you wanna give me a running around?
Well, it's your fire way to speed things up, when all it does is slow me down. Oh yeah. Why you wanna give me a running around? Well, it's your fire way to speed things up, when all it does is slow me down.
Woo! I was like, go for it, Frida. Go for it. I will go with you.
Thank you. You're right.
We'll
And by
go
the
with
end, by the end, I was like, no, I got this baby bird's got to fly.
Sir, we got you. We will always support.
Oh my God! But Taylor, what are we doing? Taylor, I hadn't even heard that. I haven't listened to this song in like 3 years. I was like, wait a minute.
I saw it was on their list, and I'm like, I love
was
this
on
song.
their
And
list,
I'm like,
yeah.
she can do it.
That was awesome.
It was great.
It was
Thank
actually
you,
fun.
Taylor.
It was fun, but there was 5 verses, and it does take a lot to
Yeah, there were a lot
remember.
of verses.
Yeah.
I
And he
didn't
does
remember
do
Very
it.
high.
He loves doing a lot of the
Really good in
cadence up and
D-flat.
down.
that.
Yeah.
Love that.
And there's a harmonica solo. I mean, that's insane.
Yeah.
You know, that's insane.
Ridiculous.
Thanks, everybody.
Oh my God! All right. I gotta put the guitar down for just a moment here.
Yeah, let's take some time.
Tattoos for Jazzy, tattoos for Johnny,
Yes,
and then the
tats,
FOB
tats,
Rock
tats,
Block,
Tap, tap,
which
tap,
is
against
gonna
the
be.
bar. Across the bar.
It's gonna start with "Thanks for the Memories," which is fun because we're gonna need to play through that a little bit, just a little bit. So I'm gonna clear these off the queue. Tattoos for Jazzy and tattoos for Johnny. Thank you again, Johnny Hall. Songs for the generous donation of 50 euros. Thank you, Jazzy, for the 110 euros. Thank you all so much for being here. We really do appreciate it. If you like what you're hearing, please go ahead and throw a follow. Not just
Follow
my
everyone,
way.
guys.
Not just my way, but Taylor Two Kitties' way. BB the Goat, a fantastic variety streamer, always playing the cozy games, always playing something fun.
Always in a blanket.
Always such an immaculate vibe, and of course Kevin's Cafe Live, our favorites,
Follow everybody.
like immediately our favorites. As soon as we came on the Twitch scene, we were, what's happening to me?
I'm tattooing you.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry.
Why is it so icy?
Let it happen.
Those
Oh,
are
the
my
stars.
fingers.
Uh-huh.
My icy fingers.
This is weird. I don't
Icy
like it.
fingies? Put one here.
I don't like. Why do you have frozen fingies?
I stuck them in ice box.
Okay.
Just you've been here the entire time.
Thank you.
Doesn't make any sense.
Ready.
Is that skeleton? Is that skeleton bone?
Yeah, pick
What am
one.
I feeling?
What? Yes.
Am I feeling it?
I don't know. Why isn't it
I'll
coming
do this
off?
birthday.
I don't think anyone could see it anyway. That's literally the side of me that's not visible. You gotta do here. You want to give me a face tattoo or something? That's
You want
fine.
a face tattoo?
I guess. I don't know. I mean, I don't have much skin showing. I guess I have all of this arm.
Oh, we can do arms.
Can you just arm me up with like a bunch of
arm you up.
tattoos?
You know what?
Don't question what you're feeling. Kroger, I constantly do.
Emo boys.
Kroger,
Emo boys.
Kroger. I mean,
Oh, here,
my
I'm
body
the
might be
band.
getting older, but emotionally, I'm still 15 years old, and I question
Wait,
everything.
We're all with the band.
We're all with the band.
Guys, we are the band.
We're the band.
Okay.
Well, yeah, of course we're the
Band is
band.
us.
Yeah,
We're
Los
with
Kiss
and
Los
are the
Supremos.
band.
Oh, that's true.
You want
Marker.
Disarm.
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 Turn it.
Disarm or disarm?
We're not doing Disarm by the Smashing Pumpkins today. I swear.
okay,
I
it's not the
swear.
vibe.
No,
Okay, got it.
and it's not the vibe. Well, actually, sort
I
of.
mean, it kind
Sort of is, though.
I wish
Shoot.
I knew it.
Oh,
You guys,
Smashing Pumpkins?
take it away. We'll just tat ourselves up.
Nope. Nope. We got songs on the list that we have played before. A couple of them at least.
Just a few.
Just a couple of
Just
them.
a few.
Just a couple.
I mean.
Yep. All right. I need to move this camera just a little.
Court knows
I
it
just
too.
feel like even though I asked you to do it, I feel like it inspired it.
Absolutely inspiration. Inspiración.
I love it. I love it.
We would have never
so many
done
places.
it, you know?
Can I have my
We
Stanley
were
sticker?
honored.
Yeah. Stanley sticker, you guys.
Stanley
I'll trade
sticker.
you this guy. and
It's
then-
empty.
Yeah, it's definitely empty. and I don't need it. Okay,
Ooh,
and do
we
you
did
see
a
the
big
FOB
one.
rock block
Nice.
start? We're gonna
So
go ahead.
birthday balloon with the RIP.
Oh, I love
tombstone.
it. I love
Hey,
it.
you should have that too.
Yeah. All right. I'll do it. Then everyone will have at least one that matches.
There we
another
go.
person's.
I'm gonna
So
make
we
it
got the
bend and
heart, and I'll get to that guy.
break.
And then we got
Say
to. Well, I need to put more on him anyway.
In cage.
All right, what are we doing next?
Sure. Where's Discord? Where's my Discord?
Oh, thanks for the memories. That's not.
On the
Did I play
verse.
this
Please
song?
don't come
I
up
don't
on the
play
wrong
this
screen. Please don't come up on the wrong screen.
I don't play this song.
Just come up on the right screen. That's
But you
all.
do sing it.
Tail Two Kitties. That's
Oh,
Davey.
Yeah.
Where are we? There we go. Okay, if I could just remember. We're gonna do. We're gonna.
That's all I know.
You're doing great so far. Then.
You do that, that's like half the song.
Oh, it says F sharp minor. Okay, I think that's right. I had the whole list for you for a reason. Come on, guy. Come on, guy.
Come on, God. Ooh, that's a shiny one.
I don't know which one I did. I think I did the official one here.
That's cool.
I'm gonna make you bend and break.
See, I already have
Like a
tattoos.
prayer, but let the good times
Oh,
roll.
you're so tired.
In
No more room on your arm.
case
Up here.
Go here, yeah,
Up
go
here.
here.
show.
Gotta go up high.
And I don't want the song to learn out right, but it's a wrong.
Can you make the thing go a little faster since you were all struggling?
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Can you
We're
go,
We're all like,
can you go a little
"What?"
faster? Well, actually, you know what? I picked the wrong one. Look, it doesn't have the auto scroll again. Why does it do that? Why does it turn off the auto scroll? I got to do a different one.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Aiken. Hi, Aiken.
Hi, Aiken.
Hello.
Happy birthday. Thank you again for the donation. Happy
Taylor,
birthday.
Taylor.
Thanks for being awesome.
Taylor, HBD. But
The
Aiken.
Muffin Man?
Do you know
Yeah, he lives on Jury Lane.
the
I got
Muffin Man?
it.
The muffin
The Muffin Man.
This is gorgeous right now. I love that.
Yes, I know.
So good.
That was really fun. It was really good. Thank you guys for the distraction.
We're vamping for you.
I know. I was like, no, is this the same thing though? Is I'm gonna make it bend and break.
Oh, it's really low.
But no,
I can't
transpose.
echo. I can't.
Oh yeah.
Well, no, I just made up something.
That sounded right.
This is not changing when I
Where is your
transpose.
cheat sheet?
It was never a phase. Ooh, that was a good one.
Here's the cheat sheet. Here's the cheat sheet. Here's the cheat sheet. Except it comes up in Google Chrome and it doesn't scroll because it hates me. All right, you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this?
How
I
rude.
believe you.
You like
Can
this?
you hit play? Will that do it?
That was good.
No, it starts playing a little thing in my ear.
Gotcha.
But you were asking what key it was. So-
Right. It is this though. So if I could just
I hear it.
Serious.
Alexa.
Alexa?
stop
Alexa,
talking.
Oh, I was
Alexa,
like, who's
for the
talking?
love of God, Alexa.
Guys, who's here?
There's
Can we do a different one?
no one else.
Can we just?
here.
I think I did the. You know what? Unfortunately, I think I
No
did
one
the
else is
official
in the house.
lyrics for the full
I
thing.
But we in the house,
We in the
though. We in the
house.
house.
Whose house is this? It's
It might be like on the gear, far right. maybe?
Far right, yeah.
No?
Auto scroll. It just says on for auto scroll.
Why isn't it?
Live.
It doesn't scroll though.
Strange.
And it plays like a little MIDI track in my head.
Oh, I was like, I just heard music somewhere.
That's not what we need at the moment.
That's not great. Okay, bear with me, gang, just a second here.
Bear down for midterms.
We're gonna get back into this rock block in a big way.
Rock block.
Rock block.
What
so
if
hard.
this does it with the
God.
pro version? I didn't try the pro version.
Real hard.
If I change that in the
Rock block.
in the gearbox.
Can't rock.
Can't rock.
Can't rock block.
Also,
You're
we're
rock, son.
not gonna.
Rock block.
Rock block.
This is the
Do
one I
it.
just did.
Rock
F sharp
block.
minor.
Very good.
I think this is it. I think this is right.
Oh, the F sharp minor?
Yeah, F sharp minor is what I wanted to do it in.
Jeez.
Right there, this rock block is fun.
And then the takeover is the breakover. Okay.
Ooh,
Okay.
yeah.
Wait.
Make it
Oh, thanks for remembering.
God doesn't end. I'm gonna make it bend and break. I'm gonna make it bend and break. Sorry, I played with the capo a while. I'm gonna make it bend and break. Take a prayer, let the good times roll. In case God doesn't show. I want the words that make things right, but just the ones who make the words come alive. But who does he think he is? The worst he got to do, bang him back to. Yeah. Okay. And the
I got it.
One way more.
Yeah. Okay. All right. I think this is right. I think we just. How you feeling on that, Kev?
That sounds good to me. I'm
Yeah.
Rolling with it.
You're gonna roll with it. That's good.
Rolling.
I remember the song. The
Yeah.
sound of it.
Yeah. I remember this
Kevin
vaguely.
Keys at night got it.
Kevin Keys at night has just got it.
Night.
You know, he's just got it going on.
It's Kev's keys.
It's Kev Keys, y'all.
It's Kev's
All right.
keys.
All right.
Just K-E-V-S.
All right. But you're right.
Kev's keys.
All right. We're just gonna roll with it. All right.
We
I'm
got
just-
you.
Okay.
We roll together.
Fantastic.
Full bite. Rock block.
Up into the first chorus, the chords are muted.
Can't rock. I mean, rock block. Rock block.
All right.
Sorry. I don't know.
Are you done with the giggles, Miss Birthday Girl? Are you done with the giggles? It's fine. I'm so old.
It's me. I'm the one who.
Sorry, Dad.
Sorry, Dad.
You know what? Both of you to your rooms. Oh my goodness. All right. I think this is going to be fast enough for us. Yeah. We'll see.
Okay.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna make it bend and break. Say a prayer, but let the good times roll. In case God doesn't show.
Good time roll. Let the good time
One's words to make things right, but it's the wrongs that make the words come to life. Who does he think he is? If that's the worst he's got, he'll put things back to one night and one more time. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. He tastes like you, only sweeter. I'm gonna play the right thing this time.
One night, yeah, one more time.
Thanks for the memories, thanks for the memories. He tastes like you, only sweeter. Happy birthday, Taylor. I'm looking to the future. My eyesight is going bad in this crystal ball. And
and it's always cloudy except for when you look into the past. One night stand, one night stand, oh, one night and one more time. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. He tastes like you, only sweeter. One night, yeah, one more time. Thanks for the memories, thanks for the memories. He tastes like you, only sweeter. The only thing in the form of crunching numbers in hotel rooms, collecting paycheck lovers. Get me out of my mind, get you out of those clothes. I'm all the way, getting you into the mood. Yeah, one night and one more time. Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. He tastes like you, only sweeter. One night, yeah, one more time. Thanks for the memories, thanks for the memories. He tastes like you, only sweeter. One more night, one more time. Thanks for the memories, for the memories. He tastes like you, only sweeter. One more night, one more time. Thanks for the memories, for the memories. He tastes like you, only sweeter.
Yeah, we got there.
You got it. Beebs saved me a number of times on that one. Beebs lifted me up on that. It's tough when you pitch it down, you know, because I know how he sings it, and then when
You
it's
hear
pitched
it
down,
different.
yeah, I'm like, is it the fifth?
That was hard, yeah. That
Is it
was
the fifth
hard
or
to
the fourth?
transpose
Yeah.
in the brain.
It was
That
a little
tough.
tricky.
I mean, should we just do it all in the original
Oh,
key?
original.
Let's
I
go.
mean,
We'll just
I
be
mean-
That's all,
screaming the
that's
whole
all
time.
you, right?
That's the
your,
thing.
It's your range, right?
Well, that's
It's like
yeah,
it's comfortably our
Yes,
range.
exactly.
right. That's true. Well, yeah, and especially for the next one.
What's the next one?
The takes over, the breaks over. Yeah, we got that going on for the rock block. Gang, we are in the middle of a FOB rock block, having hit the milestone. The takes over, the breaks over. We're going to do another Fallout Boy.
Alice, thanks Maker, thanks Aiken.
Thank you all so much. Guzzler says it sounds delicious. I love that. I love that for us.
You're delicious.
What did I say this is in? Can I get this closer? No?
A delicious goes.
Yummy.
Takes over, breaks over. I put it in the key of C, and then the first note should be A.
You made like a whole cheat sheet, guys.
I did make a whole
Really
cheat
cute.
sheet. First
It was
note
like
should be
a
A
whole
minor. Yeah,
whole
okay.
spreadsheet. Yeah.
We knew where we were going today. It was wonderful.
What was that?
What's this one called?
This is called the takeover.
Breaks.
The breaks over.
Breaks over.
The take over
The breaks over.
the breaks.
Oh, there's.
I feel like you were setting up.
Oh my God, there's one coming up that he's gonna take like 4 minutes to have to type in. It's so long.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, I didn't even write the whole thing in the cheat sheet. I just wrote me and you. I was
Yeah,
like,
which is the parentheses.
I don't know. Sometimes it lights up and I just don't know.
I love that.
Yeah,
It
it was
decides
weird.
when, you know.
It's orange now, so maybe someone redeemed something. It doesn't say anything. All right, so if I remember correctly, it's like take the capo off.
Bye, Capo.
Put this over
See you
here.
later, Capo.
When the drums.
I got lost.
Drum set's not getting used today. Yeah. No, that's not right. Hold on. That's G.
I like this version. Mr. X works.
All right, that's good. That feels
Somebody's
good.
working. Okay,
Wouldn't you rock?
we got you.
So and then we go a little faster with the. Wouldn't you rather be a widow than a divorcee? Style your wake for fashion magazine. Widow or a divorcee, but don't pretend, don't pretend.
We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair.
Yeah, that's good. That's real good stuff there, gang. All right. All right, that's pretty good. So we'll just put it back up at, was it too slow or too fast last time? I don't
Last time it was
remember.
a little too slow.
It was a little too slow still?
Yeah,
Okay.
There was.
It is
oh,
punk
no, it was
rock.
Fast,
No, it was
right?
fast.
We were
It was
like,
fast.
wait.
Yeah. No,
Oh, it went too fast. Okay. All right. Yep.
Yeah, we were like,
one of those. Definitely one of them.
yeah, it was one or the other for sure. We are certain of that.
Okay. So I'm going to say we just go right from there.
Right from there.
I have a suggestion.
Suggestion.
Yeah,
And
you
I'm
wanna
gonna
do that
forget it. Just.
Judge Ed? Hi,
Hi,
Judge Ed.
judges.
That wasn't my suggestion, but I love Jess. I think we should do the Fall Out Boy Rock Block,
Rock block.
and then
Rock block.
take could we do like a 5-minute break?
We're gonna take an intermission.
I
little
love
nervous.
that
Oh,
idea.
yeah, five.
And then
5
when
to 10
we
minutes.
come back, I think you should do the Sunday morning thing.
Okay.
Cute.
Yeah.
I don't know
that
what that
sounds
is,
fun.
but it sounds cute.
We're gonna
It's
do
it's like a
Sunday morning.
project.
Ooh.
It's gonna be really cute. We're gonna like incorporate you and stuff.
Oh my god. Can that be when we have Taylor Tritos?
Yes.
We brought Taylor
Yes.
Tritos, not a cake.
All right, we'll get treats.
But everything else.
Tritos. Yes.
Taylor
I'm
Tritos.
gonna place our dinner order too.
All right, we do. Oh yeah, we gotta have dinner though. We have to have that dinner. All right.
Oh gosh, I forget. I keep forgetting.
What happened?
Aw,
Did it
man.
spill?
Eventually, there's all go.
I'm
Yeah, it's
so
fine.
sorry. Yeah, I'm gonna put it right back. I'll use that later. Exactly. Fallen stars.
That's right, jeans.
That did.
See, I think it's too slow.
Yeah, it is low.
One more time.
We'll get there, yeah.
Baby, seasons change, but people don't know. They're waiting in the back room. I'm boring, but overcompensate with headlines. Flash, flash, flash. Photography, and don't pretend you'd ever forget about me. Don't pretend you'd ever forget about me. Wouldn't you rather be a widow and a divorcee? Style your wake fashion magazine. Widow or a divorcee? Don't pretend, don't pretend. We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair. They say hell can be a prison. Then these are just conjugal visits. People will dissect us till this doesn't mean a thing anymore. Don't pretend you'd ever forget about me. Don't pretend you'd ever forget about me. Wouldn't you rather be a widow than a divorcee? Style away with fashion magazine. Widow or a divorcee? Don't pretend we do it in the dark with smiles on our faces. We're dropped and well concealed in secret places. Oh, we do it in the dark with smiles on our faces.
We do it in the dark with smiles on our faces. We're trapped and well concealed in secret places. We do it in the dark with smiles on our faces. We're trapped and well concealed in secret places. We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair.
I have to always do an extra roll.
Love it.
We don't fight fair. We don't fight fair.
That just made me so happy.
It did too. I'm so sorry though, because I'm realizing I always forget because you stream by yourself all the time. You think I can end the song whenever I want, just whenever I want, no matter how many choruses were there or not. Like I don't remember.
Doesn't matter.
Keep going.
It doesn't matter.
I always think there's like 3. I think, you know, like,
Always 3. That's
Yeah.
the rule of 3.
there's a rule of 3 there
Of
going
course.
to the place. So I was like,
All
oh
right.
right, yeah, maybe we'll stop.
Okay, and now it feels good. Yeah.
It feels good. Yeah,
That
it
was
feels
great.
It's not.
Thank you so much. Gang, thank you all so much for being here. If we could just get just a real quick check on just levels are still good and everything feels fine. I think people would say something if otherwise, but I like to keep track. Sometimes my headphones kind of crackle a little bit and I think like, oh, maybe it's too loud, but it seems like it's fine. Moonlight Alice, thank you so much for the claps. Madeline, Davey, Just Jess, Scat Cat, Just Joss. Good to see you, Just Jess. Maker Plays is BRB. All right, Maker.
Mocker has something.
Why are you so sus?
Yeah, Mocker, what's up with your sus face though?
You sus, you sus?
Mocker, why you sus though? You just have to tell us. Just tell us why you're so sus. Thank you again so much for being here, everybody. We're just really very happy and proud. I'm proud to be part of this whole fundraiser raid train.
I'm playing lots of Fall Out Boy.
Lots of Fall,
My favorite people to do music stuff with.
lots of Fallout
hey,
Boy.
hey,
It's doing good.
Only Fallout Boy.
I definitely feel like I might have aged out of Fallout. I feel like as I'm playing through it here, I'm like, I think I might be too old for these feelings.
We're
you know?
elder emos.
Elder, we gotta keep it
Elder.
rolling and
I guess,
rocking.
it's not a phase, I guess. It's
No, it's
Not a phase.
It's not a phase.
Forever.
It's a forever thing.
Forever. What's next? What's our next song? We got plow through.
Yeah, we gotta
We
keep
got two more rock
we gotta
blocks.
keep her moving though. Moving full stream.
music.
The takeover.
Featured artist
Welcome in, Clay Music. It's so good to see you. Thank you so much for being here.
Derek said you fell out, boy.
We you mean you fell out, boy? Oh my God, Mr. X.
That was so good.
And look at
More
that
of that,
mustache. Yeah, look at
More,
that
please.
dirty mustache he's got going with that too. Oh my God, I can't wait to see Mr. X again. He's wickedly clever.
This is so funny.
But yeah, no,
hilarious.
I was gonna say.
Scott, are you still in here? Can you shout out Clay Music, please?
Yeah, can we shout out Clay Music? Because Clay is one of the featured performers coming up this year.
We gonna meet.
You know what's great is that I have done a songception with Clea, and I've also done one with Carissa at this point. So
Carissa.
I'm excited to meet Chris.
there's one guest still to announce that I'm very excited for because
Ooh la la.
they're also my next songception.
me?
So no, it's not you, Taylor. I'm so
Your
sorry.
next song's
My next songception will be announced whenever the next featured performer is also
well,
announced. So, yeah.
well.
Yeah, exactly right. But we will find out.
You gotta bring the suspense.
Wait a minute, unless it was yesterday. It might have been yesterday. Shit. Mike Maker, remind me if we did a reveal
Yeah, no,
yesterday.
there was a reveal yesterday.
There was.
I'm so tired.
But it was Hameta.
Yeah, so Mets.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, guess what, gang? Spoiler alerts. The next songception is going to be with Hameta.
Oh,
That's the beans right there. Beans are being spilled.
Beans on beans on beans. Yes.
And beans
Thank you,
upon
Matt.
beans upon beans. Yes, Hameta is.
Hi, DJ.
We haven't locked down the date yet, but
Beans. That's right, beans.
Beans.
what music do you age into? Burt Bacharach, Elvis Costello. Let's see, jazz of all kinds.
Everywhere.
Jazz of all kinds.
Beans everywhere.
Erware.
As I take my Centrum Silvers and I pop out my dentures at night, there's Who's the guy? It's not unusual to be loved.
Tom
Jones.
Jones.
Tom Jones, of course Tom Jones. Yeah, no, there's a lot of
wait,
things to
what?
Liz. Liz KTV.
In the car. That's
Hi,
awesome.
Liz and Marcel.
Oh,
We miss you.
we do miss you guys. It's so great to
Shout
see
out to
you.
Liz KTV.
Who are
Also a
feature
A
future
future feature.
man.
future feature.
It's so cute. It's a future feature.
Future feature artist. Yay! Look at all these.
Shout out Liz KTV, please. and Claire
Yes,
Music, please.
we are blessed to have so many wonderful musician friends here. Oh my goodness gracious! But yeah, Clea is fantastic. Liz and Marcel are fantastic. Hameda is amazing. We're gonna see them all as featured performers this year, August 28th and 29th. So guys, get your donations in because we need to pay these performers. All right, we gotta get them. All right,
Feature.
featured performers. All right,
Feature.
they're coming to sing for you.
Feature performer.
All right, but it also pays the staff. It pays for food. It pays for all sorts of things, and it's
Yes,
wonderful.
It gets the job done.
It really
Get
gets
it
the job
done.
done. All right, you want to get that job.
Work, business.
Oh no, ad break.
What are
Always
we
when we hate it. This Ain't a Scene is
I'm
a
like liar.
gosh darn
Oh,
arms
sorry,
race.
you
Nope, not yet.
Is that the one?
Not
Oh.
yet?
Not yet. That's coming up.
Oh, you were like, you're gonna take a while for you to rate this one.
Here's what I think we can do.
What
I think
can
we
do?
well,
What's up?
because I have the song ready.
Yeah. Do the song.
Well, you know what? Actually, let's take the 3 minutes. We'll take a 3-minute break to work through it just a little bit.
Got it.
And this is actually not the right key. Yep, that's not the right key. All right, so we're going to take the 3-minute break. Get up, stand up, stretch, or do whatever you want. I'm not your boss. You know, I'm not going to tell you what to do. You know,
I do need
you could slouch further if
So
you
afraid I'm
want.
gonna like knock the whole table
Oh,
over.
no,
All the
you're
cheese is gonna be on the
fine. Yeah,
floor.
you're great. No, it's a very sturdy table.
What if you did just turn and karate chopped it right through it?
If you did
though?
that.
You know, like that would be amazing. You know, we wouldn't be expecting
Well,
that
then
from
we
you.
lose all our cheese.
Well, that's true. And them
We need the cheese.
darn crackers.
So
No,
sorry.
no, it's fine.
The crack.
We supplied you with the
It was
crackers.
me.
We supplied you with the crackers.
And then you
This
give
is
it
truly
back
our
to
fault.
us.
Yeah, it's truly our fault. Yeah. This couldn't be more our fault.
I mean, I feel like
Yeah.
don't eat crackers like a Cookie Monster.
This is a different
You
one.
know, probably would have been fun.
You know, for the life of me, one day they'll just have this so I can just have this already be over here. You know, let's transcribe
Is
this
anyone
down.
getting cold at all?
It's going to be in the key of E minor. I mean, none of this is doing. None of this is doing it.
I'm chilling.
You're chilling, but not chilly.
Are
I
you,
got my-
well,
I got
yeah.
my flannel or
You
whatever
want to make
it
sure you're
is.
chilling, but not chilly. That's
Well,
important.
kind of thin,
If not, more bands, maybe. You know. Are you kidding me? Oh, the time. I had this all set, but
30 shots. Brian.
I am ready to crank out another 30 shut-ups.
Totally.
No, I see the way you worded it. I see the way you worded it. Shups, yeah.
Shups.
Shups, yeah. It's true. I'm getting older and older, Brian. I think it's exactly, you know.
Funny.
I'm just shaking my fist at the clouds. Shut
Yeah,
up, for
constantly
Goldfish, you
yelling
know.
at kids to get off his lawn.
I wish we had a lawn for them to yell at. Nope, I picked the wrong one again. Is there just like a normal one? Is there just like a normal one? This is a very easy song.
Wow.
Wow.
It's very easy. Nope,
So is it?
it's just
Not easy to find.
no. Unfortunately, not. No,
Right.
no, because these high quality ones, I did not realize they didn't scroll. You know,
Hmm.
And I-
Wait, that's
it is weird. It says that it scrolls, but
I
it
just
is.
did the chords one.
You saw the chords one?
I chose.
Where, down here?
3. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but it changed. It didn't change.
Oh, it didn't switch? Oh,
That's cha-
that's weird.
right.
How dare?
Unless it broke or something. It might have broken.
Oh, goodness.
Right? Because it
Probably
looks
broken.
like
It's okay. It's gonna be fine.
you need to turn it off and turn it on again.
I might have to do that. I might have to
Unplug
do
it,
that.
unplug it.
You
Yeah.
could blow it on it.
Yeah, well, you know what? Honestly,
sure.
I can go
Sorry,
out.
sorry, sorry.
We have a minute 45 seconds to
think I'm
continue going
22.
through this, so it's gonna be good.
Totally 22.
Oh, we totally got enough time. It's fun. Yeah, here
So much
actually,
time.
I refreshed this one, and then that comes back up again. Of course, this is thanks to the Great Maker Plays that we have this at all. I love this so much.
Make a play.
This ultimate guitar link to your song list. Usually, it's so that the musician can pick up a tab very quickly and just go.
Just like this.
Well, it's the site itself that's the issue.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah, because it's a janky,
Magic.
janky ass site.
Maker magic.
It's such a janky, jank. No,
Oh, it's still
Still not doing it.
Hi, Brian.
All right, I'm gonna find a different one. It was fun.
I didn't see a different one.
Do you think?
Well, at least for chords. I don't know. You probably find it.
Right. Oh, I see. Because they say tabs and these say Guitar Pros, and these are. Oh God! All right, I could just teach you it.
Oh, it's good for me.
He's
That was good for you.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Yeah.
All right. So we're playing in E minor though, so it is moving for you. Okay, as long as it's
Yes.
moving for you, then that's
It
okay.
doesn't like us.
Okay. All right.
Just not moving for us.
Right.
All right, but I know this. I already know the
Moving for him,
chords. Then we're fine.
So what you're playing?
We're playing in E minor.
Like the first is E minor.
I am an arms dealer, fitting you with, and then goes to the B. Weapons in the form of words. Yeah, don't really care which side wins, long as the room keeps saying that's just the business I'm in. Yeah, this ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. Shoulder to ground. All right, good enough. Welcome back, everybody. We are just going over that real quick. You know, it's crazy, but it's Taylor's birthday, so we're having a birthday bonanza, and so we're doing FOB rock blocks, a lot of emo rock blocks.
Bob Rock.
And I'm getting. My name is Fernand from Fernand and Friends. This is Taylor Two Kitties. This is BB the Goat
The goat.
and Kevin Chambers Music. Kevin's Cafe Live. Come on, y'all. We don't even know what we're waving at anymore because this has been off the
Cover
screen
both
now.
bases.
This has been off the screen for quite some time.
Hello.
There it
Hello.
is. There it is. It's good to make sure we're still on camera
Hey,
here.
Max.
And thank you again for the wonderful donations. We're raising funds today for the Streamborn Music Showcase 2026. We are so happy to be here with y'all and doing this. So feel free. We got still, I think, another 2 hours. We are rocking right through this. We are going to take a break
We're gonna take a break after a rock block.
after the rock block.
Yeah.
And let's just see if this scrolls. It does scroll. There we go.
Hey.
Hey-o.
Do it.
All right. I think 5 probably.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. No. We'll do 4. No.
Whatever feels right.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I feel like I'm gonna probably just go back. No, never mind. Okay, I don't know what I have up there. Never mind.
Each Fall Out Boy song we do, I get happier.
Spotify.
I was already pretty happy to start.
Yes, we win. We all win.
There we go. Hey, this ain't a scene. I put the lyrics
It
in.
ain't.
Oh, it's not
It
good.
ain't.
It's not a scene.
It
It's a gosh darn arms race.
Gosh.
Gosh darn it.
Don't.
We all hydrated.
Time nabbit.
All right, we're gonna do some songs, gang. And again, thank you, Clam Music. Thank you, Liz KTV. Thank you, Maker Plays, Brian O'Brien, Mr. X, all you fun peeps. Thank you all so much. DJ, good to see you, DJ. Of course, we just saw you last weekend for fun.
For funsies.
All right, that feels good. That feels like it's moving at a nice speed.
Right.
So I'm gonna go back
W
up to the
Mr.
top.
X 1160
Oh,
noise.
thanks, Mr. X.
Thank you for.
Yay!
Thank you for the donut. Well, yeah, there we go.
Thank you so much for the donut. We appreciate y'all. Oh my goodness.
Thanks,
All right.
Wolf.
And I am. Yeah, we don't.
Wait, too fast, too fast.
I am 1, 2, 3, 4. I am an arms dealer, fitting you with weapons in the form of words. Yeah, don't really care which side I win, as long as the room keeps singing. That's just the business I'm in. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. I'm not sure to cry on, but I digress. I'm a leading man, and the lights I weave are oh so intricate. Oh, so intricate.
Eliza Weaver, oh so intricate, oh so intricate. I wrote the gospel and giving up.
You look pretty sick.
The real bombshells are already sung.
Prima donnas are the gutter.
And I went painting your trash gold while you sleep, crashing out like hipsters. No, no. But what is the same seed? It's a goddamn arms race. The same seed. It's a goddamn arms race. The same seed. It's a goddamn arms race. Bandwagons full of leaves. It's another one bleeding man. Eliza Weaver, oh so intricate. Oh, so intricate. I'm bleeding man. Eliza Weaver, oh so intricate. Oh, so intricate.
Give me a little piano E. Yeah, little pumping. Boom, boom, boom on E. Yeah, there you go. Now give me that B.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, there you go. All the boys who danced slow and didn't love. All the girls whose lips couldn't move fast enough. Sing until your lungs give out. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a god. Now do it a cappella. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. This ain't a scene, it's a goddamn arms race. All the leading men, that's how Weaver, oh so intricate, oh so intricate. I'm the leading man, that's how Weaver, oh so intricate, oh so intricate. Oh, yeah. Honk, honk.
That was a meaty honk honk.
That was a meaty a cappella part. Friggin' that rocked my socks right off. You know,
I'm so happy.
because you all sang till your lungs gave out. You know, it was really great. Toto,
Thank you
Bri.
for your donation.
Thank
Thank you so much for your
Thanks,
donut.
dude.
1535.
Oh, let's go. Oh, the classic Deuterino
The classic
number.
No,
thing.
Stream
Classic
Elements. You're drunk. No,
Oh no,
you?
we have to replace. Took out the honks.
Oh, we never put the honks back in.
The honks.
There's so much to do with the stream. I'm so sorry. We never put the honks back in. Thank you, Maker Plays. Thank you, Liz. Thank you, Moonlight Alice. Thank you, Mr. X.
Good night.
Creepa, thank you so much for being here. Thank you again for the dono earlier. Thank you for your support. And we hopefully will get to see you again.
Yeah.
Really? Is it so?
Hopefully.
Just a few months away, I think. You know, we'll be able to see Creepa again. Creepa, you know those kind of parties I like, though. All right, so let's get a beat on what's going on when we get there. No, we're gonna go to the parties though. Can I just say, Creepa, we're going to the parties.
Hall of Fame, Toto, you're in the Hall of Fame. Oh my gosh! Congratulations.
Ah, it's awesome.
Speech.
I love that. It's Toto's first year of eligibility, so that's really
la.
impressive that he made it to the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame. Right, really good.
That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Really.
I'm so impressed.
All right, gang. Next one is Young Volcanoes. All right.
Oh wait, I played that that one.
You do play that one. We play it in
love that
well, it's
for
the
all
key
of
of
us.
G. But it goes.
In the key of Taylor.
Yeah, the first note. The first note will be E minor. Young volcanoes.
And it's the volcano.
The youngest.
Love this one.
I do love this one too. Oh my God! Come on,
I was
guys.
so excited, and he was like, "You can play this song."
Yeah.
Or the other, what was the the Green Day. When we get to Green Day, I was very excited. I could play some Green Day.
Man, we're gonna have to literally go right through.
No stopping.
I was gonna
Hey, you know, even for punk rock songs, we're still.
Cat
oh no,
asked
scat.
me,
Scat, no.
is Los Quesos Supremos
It's
in
a-
danger of being arrested for bringing so much dopeness to the Streamborn showcase? The question of dopeness and its
so sorry,
legal
guys.
implications. If Los Quesos Supremos
They
is
can't hear
rocking the
Deckard.
Streamborn showcase with their unparalleled style
Only
and
I can
sound,
hear
Gabby.
then they should be celebrated, not arrested. Perhaps the real danger lies in their infectious vibes causing a dance-off in the chat. Keep the energy
keep going,
flowing
oh, sorry,
and
what-
let the
what-
music be the judge.
Yeah, it's tough though, like because the Deckard's literally in my ear. Here we go. Your E minor, C, G, D. That's the one. Oh, I love how they just put just a few words.
Just a few words. We don't need all of them, right? Just
Well, I mean, you know, it's there. It's just the column is so tight that you're like, oh, I'm gonna have
That's
to.
so true. And then when there's this long intro and you're like, I didn't need all that. I just give me the chords.
Right.
No offense. No offense.
No offense, you
No
guys.
offense. Put
No
it in the end
offense.
though, please. Put it in the end.
You could just do that. That'd be great. Yeah.
The recipe is like what went before the story before the recipes. We don't
Yeah.
need your life story
Love your story.
to
just
learn how
put
to
it at
make
the end.
spaghetti. And
We do love the story
Yeah.
though. Yeah. You know, like. It was late at night. I had 5 kids to feed, and
Yeah.
we just got back from soccer
It really
practice.
sets the tone
Yeah.
You know?
when I have the time.
Yeah.
But sometimes you don't.
Just don't got the time though, you
You
know.
gotta cook. You gotta let her cook.
And we gotta go, you know. And right now is one of those times.
We just gotta go.
We just gotta go.
We gotta
Yeah,
go.
go, girl.
All right. So it honestly the song is pretty easy.
Oh yeah, I think
You got yeah.
He picked it up.
Okay.
I think I remember.
Well, that's fantastic. I put that there.
Oh, I can clap. There's clapping in it.
You want to do claps?
It says
Oh, yeah.
clapping.
Yeah.
Okay. And we'll see if this is too fast or not.
Do's it. It was a little fast last time.
It was a little fast last time.
Yeah.
All right, but we got less words here. All right, it's gonna be fun. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. When Rome's in ruins, we are the lions, free of the Colosseums. In poison places, we are anti-venom. We're the beginning of the end. Tonight, the foxes hunt the hounds. It's all over now. Before it has begun, we've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are wild. Mary got her excited. Don't you wanna feel a little beautiful, baby? Oh, 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 oh. Come on, make it easy. Say I never mattered. Running up the flagpole. Oh no, come on.
Oh no! We'll teach you how to make
I didn't do that.
mistakes go
Out of assholes. The foxes hunt the hounds. It's all over now. Before it has begun, we've already won. We are wild. We are like young volcanoes. We are
Don't you wanna feel this beautiful, baby? Oh,
It stops at minor for some weird reason. I don't think I should stop at G. Hong Kong.
I love that.
I
We have
know.
to do that again.
We
need
do.
that.
I know. I'm so sorry. I stopped in the middle there. Now I think about it because you guys are so professional. You're like, well, shit. I already know the words. You just gotta keep going. Whereas I'm like,
By now we know. You had it in your heart. It's
I had
in
it in
your
my
soul.
heart all
All
along.
along.
All along, I had it in my heart. Thank you, DJ, for that. And you Maker, it's okay. Yeah.
That's curfew.
Maker, if you change something in between it, for whatever reason, the Ultimate Guitar will go back to the main menu and make you pick something again. But no worries on that. It's all good.
My lord.
My Lord via 4, so good to see you. MJ just happy to be here. Good to see you as well. We're just happy that you're
This is where
here.
we parked my friends.
This is where we parked our friend. We're gonna say Madeline
We're just at
Music.
the mall. It's like fine.
Let's go to the mall tonight.
Tonight, we haven't delonged a song. I guess.
Oh, we get to launch a song.
Well, I guess no one has asked specifically to delonge a song,
Well, it's
so
one
you
of
would
these
have
one of these. It
to.
was
I
one of
guess all these songs are
incentives.
Delonged enough. It
Well,
has
that's
to be
true.
Like I guess we could have Happy Birthday, Delonge.
Gang, here's the thing.
Whatever.
And speaking of rock blocks, and I'm loving this. Why don't we just do Sugar? We're going down, and then we're gonna jump out of this rock block. That's what I think. I think because we already done a fair amount of rock. All right, and
Rock.
I was gonna say it's 5:26 right now. We've got an hour and a half before we got to raid out. You want to use the restroom?
Well, we can do one more.
Let's do this and then we'll take a break.
And this ends this rock block.
Right, because it ends the rock block. That's perfect.
block.
That's
The
I
block,
love
the
that
block,
for
the
us.
block.
I love that. We're gonna take a quick intermission after that, and then we're gonna come back with some more rock. Yeah,
Bring the block back.
I'm gonna bring that rock block back again. You know, I think this is right. Yeah, G. We're playing it in.
You sure?
Yeah.
I don't believe so.
Does that mean you're supposed to be?
Oh, did you hear that? Oh, that's right. I forgot you
Yeah,
guys
it's
could hear that through there.
Ooh.
I'm gonna use it. I swear. Yeah.
Ooh, thanks for the donut.
I thought we would wait for
Marion.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Euros.
€5.
There it is.
I gotta go back. Yeah.
Euros, right?
Euros.
Yes.
Euros.
Yeah, they are euros, I believe. Yes, and thank you, Miss Marion K. That's so very nice.
Hey,
And Brian with an I, it's so good to see you as well.
Hello,
Welcome
Brian.
in,
Brian
friends.
with an eye.
Hi, with an eye.
Hi, everybody.
I like that. That's
That's
funny.
Renee.
Look, I'm Ferdane from Ferdane. Well, no, they all know who we are. Right? They all
I'm
know.
Taylor from Tale of Two Kitties.
It's her birthday. Happy birthday, Taylor.
Happy birthday to you.
We've got zigotes
Birthday, Taylor.
from being zigotes.
Friends, we're gonna log off for the night and try to get some sleep.
And
Liz
he's
K,
playing
thank you so
Cafe
much.
Live.
Thank you for all the
From
music,
Kevin
incredible
Keegan.
vibes. Love you all. See you soon. Liz and Marcel, thank you. All our love.
See you soon. Oh my God.
We're gonna
See
see
you
you
Can't wait to
soon.
see you.
Oh, soon. And talk even sooner.
Yes.
Oh yeah, for sure. And gang, go follow Liz K TV, who are one of the best in the business. All right, one of the best in Twitch for sure. Love them so much. Immaculate vibes, absolutely. And speaking of Brian with the I also. All right, yeah, let's.
Let's go.
We got a lot of vibes. I know. I look, I got to pee too. I mean, I'm not the only one. You know, I'm
Everyone
also.
in this room needs to pee.
I think
We
everyone
have
in this
two
entire room.
bathrooms.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Well,
Oh, right.
it's not more than you bargained for yet. Not yet, anyway.
It's no. Accessorizes for Toto.
Ooh.
I'll wear the...
Yes.
I will be a catacorn.
Ooh, I have some sunnies.
There you go. Rock them sunnies. Husband, you want to be a mouse?
Yeah, I would love to be a little mouse in the house if I could. Brian. Yes. Always down for any Dave Matthews, says Toto. Yeah, we do have I promised, I made a bargain with Taylor
Yes.
that we do at least one Dave Matthews song.
Oh,
So I think Ants Marching would probably, when we come back,
yeah.
we'll do that back when we come back for Toto for
Love
sure.
that.
Yeah. Love that one. I think this is probably fine, but you guys let me know. This is, yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Let's do it, and then we're just going to take a break. You want to start this? Yeah.
Sure. 1, 2, 3, 4.
in the grass next to the mausoleum. I'm just a notch in your bedpost, but you're just a light in a song. Drop a heart, break a name. We're always sleeping in, sleeping for the wrong team. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down singing. I'll be another one with a bullet. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. This is more than you bargained for, yeah. Oh, don't mind me, I'm watching you two from the closet, wishing to be the friction in your jeans. Isn't it messed up how I'm just dying to be here? I'm just a notch in your bedpost, and you're just a line in a song. Drop a heart, break a name. We're always sleeping in, sleeping for the wrong team. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. Down, down in an early round. And sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. Be another one with a bullet. A loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, 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 down. We're going down, down. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling. We're going down, down in an early round. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with a bullet. Loaded gun complex, cocking and pulling.
I cannot deal. There's things just falling off of me at all
What is on your
times.
face?
This is it's so chaotic. I love this so much, but this is so gosh darn chaotic. I cannot
The
take it.
headphones fell right off.
Take it. The headphones keep falling off. I don't understand that. It's abandoned everything. Gang. Oh my goodness. That was so much fun.
Thanks, everybody.
All right.
Thank you so much for that rock block.
That was so much for the rock block. We are going to have to rock real fast through those other ones, but when we come back.
All right.
So what we're going to do is we're
gonna
going to take a
roll.
quick. We're
roll
going
BRB.
to say 5 to 6 minute intermission here. I wish I could run
Intermission.
commercials manually. We're also going to put a couple more tattoos on ourselves for when we come back. So.
Yeah.
So give us 5 or 6 minutes.
This
We're
is
going to go
a
to a
great
waiting
Can
screen.
we get some?
But don't go anywhere. You know, get some drinks. Come on back. And thank you.
Sometimes beginnings aren't so simple. Sometimes goodbye's the only way. Oh, and the sun will set for you. The sun will set for you, and the shadow of the day will embrace real sad for you. I like it when you take control, even if you know that you don't own me. I'll let you play the role, I'll be your animal. My mommy likes to sing along with me, but she won't sing the song. If she reads all the lyrics, she'll pity the man I know. 'Cause you're a tough guy, like a really rough guy, just can't get enough guy, just always so buff guy. I'm that bad type, make your mama sad type, make your girlfriend mad type, my solution you that type. Well, I'm the bad guy. Dodoy. What are we doing here? Lost in space.
for me to see just how I could be. Holding my chest full of storms relentlessly saps my energy while I feel so hooked. And hello, Lord, it scratches me up. It hurts on my side of the bed, but I really shouldn't lie to you. Call for me to see just how much I bleed out with the wind, and I feel so high. Still my roots for me to see just how I could be. Holding my chest full of storms relentlessly saps my energy. Why do I feel so hooked and torn? And all good friends escape. It's not so easy to keep the pain at bay. So baby now someday you'll join us in the world we'll live as one. Well, so well, me as a guy, y'all can see me now because you don't see with your eye, you can see with your mind. That's an inner. So I'ma stick around with Russ and be a mentor. Bust a few rhymes so motherfuckers remember where the thought is. I brought all this so you can survive when law is lawless, fearless. Sensation that you thought was dead. No squealing, remember that is all in your head. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. My future is coming on. I ain't happy. I'm feeling glad I got sunshine in a bag. I'm useless, but not for long. My future is coming on. It's 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 coming on. My future. Well, with a bang, feel like I'm gonna puke.
Cause my taxes are due. Does my password begin with a 1 or a 2? Been a hell of a ride, but I'm thinking it's time to grow. Metronome, man, I'm up to something. The whole lot it all. Thank you all for coming. We hope you like the show, cause it's on the budget. So won't it out it all, yeah. Come on, here we go, yeah. Come on. Don't
Put your best face on, everybody pretend you know this song. Everybody coming, let's go out with a bang. Oh, I'm way too young to lie forever. I'm way too old to try, so whatever coming, let's go out with a bang.
Welcome back in. Hello, everybody. I see that we got raided while we were on break. Jory Avner, thank you so much for the raid. Hi, my name is Ferdinand from Ferdinand and Friends. My fellow quesos are going to join me in just a moment. They're still downstairs. We're toasting for Taylor's birthday. So I decided to come up here. Just wanted to say hi to y'all. Rick the Voice. Rick the Voice, especially, thank you. I don't see you raided in. You just came in separately. Good to see you, Cast the Human. Good to see Raid from MJ. Just happy to be here. Thank you again. Mary Starfly, always good to see you. Is Coach here? I want to see Coach. Hippie Lover, welcome in. Jory, of course, our friend. That was my favorite Beatles tune. Oh, that's great. Great. I'm glad the break screen worked out well for you. Welcome in, everybody. My name is Ferdinand from Ferdinand Friends. I'm a singer-songwriter goofball from Northwest New Jersey. We are having a special fundraiser today for the Streamborn Music Streamer Showcase 2026. Our friends are going to come back in. I'm not just sitting here in an empty room like I normally do. All right, there's going to be friends here. I swear that I have friends. Okay, they're real friends. All right, they're not like my Canadian girlfriend. They're real. So thank you all so much for being here. Got Muses, welcome in. Send Mueli, welcome in. Hippie Lover. I'm hearing hijinks from below. Kermany, am I saying that right? Welcome in. Thank you all so much for being. And Court, I see you, Court. DJ MC2J Man, hi, welcome in.
Feeding the cats.
Feeding the cats? Is that a time to feed the cats? Oh, come on in. You got snackies? You got snack? Oh my God, look at that. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yep. See, you're on. This one. No, you're on this one right now.
It's the ube.
It's the ube. Come on in. Welcome in, everybody. It's Taylor's birthday, and we're celebrating with treats and fun. Helena. Oh my goodness.
Hello.
We did used to know Helena though. I think I could probably pull out Helena. Gibson Lens, good to see you. Jory Avner, of course, is one of the featured performers in this year's showcase. Welcome in last year's featured performers, Kevin and BB from Kevin's Cafe Live. Welcome in, friends. It's so good to see you. Hi, Book Dragon. Yeah, brownies, snackies. Mom laid out some snackies. Court, how are you doing this afternoon?
See Court.
Hi, Court.
It's always good to see you, my guy. These friends are in the room with me right now, Maker. Yes, they are. And Taylor's going to come back. I swear it.
She's coming. She's feeding the cats.
And we're going to do songs. Okay, they're not imaginary friends, Rick. They're very real friends. All right? I just, very frustrating. It's very frustrating to have you here, Rick. But Jory, thanks so much again for the raid.
Thank you, Jory.
Seriously, you're the
Hi,
lush, though.
Jory. So
all right?
good to see you.
It is
Oh my
good to see
God.
you.
There you go.
Hi,
there he is.
We're very excited.
We're doing some Helena?
Yep. Right. There is still secrets. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah. I swear I haven't spilled any beats. I probably haven't. No, it's fine. Everything is fine.
Don't look at the chat.
Don't look at the chat.
Don't worry about the chat. Just listen to us.
don't look at the chat. Yeah, it's fine. Don't sign anything.
Hello.
This is not Songception, Rick. I keep telling you, Songception is a completely different thing. We don't have 1 week. We don't have the video for 1 week. That's what we're doing. That is what we're doing, though.
I'm
all right?
so excited.
I've already set it up for us to do.
Yes.
But no. No, there comes Helen.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
All right, we're gonna figure out Helena. That's what we're gonna do. There we go. Fantastic stuff. I'm very excited.
We're excited.
Right.
How does this one go?
I don't remember.
Oh, I remember it.
I was
Go,
thinking.
go. How does it go?
I said, long ago, just like the hearse you died to get in again. We are so far.
All right, I guess we're gonna do it.
Oh, are you doing Helena?
Yeah.
Yes. Who wanted Helena?
Jory Avner music.
Yes, Jory.
And what Jory wants,
yes.
Jory gets. So we're gonna do
Rick,
it.
Do you want a double? Do you want an
Stop it.
MCR double?
A double? A double hamburger with,
Who doesn't the
with cheese?
teenagers?
Oh, we can do teenagers. We should have led with that one. All right.
Double feature.
All right, so we're gonna do a A minor then. Yeah. Was that what was you doing?
Is it a Kevin feature?
Just like the hearse you died to get in again. Yeah, I mean, it could be a Kevin feature, you know?
Oh, really?
Well,
Sure.
Ooh la la.
Ooh la la.
you think? Yeah, you think?
Ooh la la.
Yeah.
We're saying ooh
you
la
need a
la. I
break?
think that's probably. I mean, you know, I'd love I love when Kevin features.
But also, does anyone want Tritos?
Guys,
I
look at
kind of
this.
do, but I also have a cough drop in right
Look
now.
at this amazing awesomeness that I get to kind of camera.
Camera this
Over.
way.
My first love was the ballerina in this video. Oh yeah, no, it was an incredible video that just went away.
Yum.
It's hard to see the color. They is purple.
They is purple though. They is purple though. There is purple though. And then back to the Muppets.
How do I know?
And back to the Muppets again.
I'm so excited.
I've told you about this song. in the
I
past.
think you have told me about
Can you
it.
tell her about the song?
I'm not as familiar as I should be. is what it
Taylor.
sounds like.
Taylor told me about the song. Yeah, and I was like, okay,
Kevin
I'll.
also told me about this song, and
Oh,
I.
interesting. All right. Well, I think we can. As,
There we go.
as long as this chord this works for you, that I will
Sure.
probably figure it out.
Cheers.
Do we like it?
Mm-hmm. Oh, I did my nails.
Oh my god, perfect.
Should have been this color.
Yeah.
Can you change it still?
Yeah.
Can you go down
Do you know
to
who else does
negative
this
4?
song?
-4, sure.
Good damn.
Just.
G minor.
I always a smile.
I can do it.
Yeah.
Do it.
Okay.
I'm okay.
All right.
I'm okay.
We'll do a first time stumble through of Helena for Jory Abner Music and its 65 Raiders.
I'm so excited. Hi.
It's fun stuff
my
here.
Birthday. It's making me so happy.
It's Taylor's birthday, and we do what Taylor wants. All right. So,
And only that.
and,
Well,
and
because I asked him when I was putting music on the queue, and I said, "You do have Helena."
we're gonna do
here."
ants marching
He
though.
was like, "No, I don't want to do that."
I did say that.
Little did you know, we will do that when.
But I'm so thirsty for Jory's love. I'll take it.
Thirsty for love
Thirsty for it. All right. Let's.
No to life. Yes to
and
Jory.
hungry for life.
Hello, Rick DeVois.
Devoche! Hey, Rick!
Devoche.
Devoche. Another year of dealing with fruiting.
Okay. Thank you, former streamer Rick DeVois, for your kind words. All right, we really appreciate it.
Oh, we missed that one. Oh.
Yeah, we do miss him. I'm sure he'll come back one day. I play Valheim with him, and he's just a right pain in the butt. But boy, I love that guy.
He's got Sky he doesn't know on his list, and that makes me happy as well.
Yeah, that's true. And plus he wrote that Boom Boom song, so I'm really happy about that. Boom Boom, I want to boom.
In my room.
Yeah.
So he's
That was written by Rick. I'm good for right now, but I'm gonna
Wait,
eat
Rick
the hell out of
DeVois
it.
wrote
No,
Pretty sure he did.
But he didn't know the song, and I was telling him about it.
We gotta do
And
Helena.
he was like, Rick DeVois says, I was like, that's funny that he does that song. And he was like, why? And he's like, he thought that was his song. He thought that was.
Oh.
I thought literally Rick DeVois had written it. It was his most played song. It was his most played song. I don't know.
Venga Boys, right?
Yeah, I think so.
I think so.
Venga Boys.
Rick DeVois might have been a former Venga boy. I honestly don't know. You know,
I guess.
he's vegan now. He's a vegan boy now, so that's different. So,
Ooh la la.
Thank you.
right?
Thank
You put an N on that. Thank you, DJ. Appreciate that. We're gonna do the song now.
Yeah. I'm excited.
I'm excited to be a spectator. Sing to me.
I'm gonna follow you.
Okay.
When I go like this, we whisper.
So. Exactly.
Okay.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Hurts you tied to get in again. We are so far from you. Burning on, just like a match you strike to incinerate the lives of everyone you know. What's the worst to take from every heart you break? Like a big you stay. I've been holding on tonight. What's the worst thing I can say? Things are better if I stay. So long and good night. So long and good night. Came a time when we stop all watching the tears again.
We are.
So good.
So Oh yeah.
Singing. I don't
Yeah.
move it, but. What's the worst thing I could say? Things are better if I stay. So long and good night. So long and good night. When I carry on this way, things are better if I stay. So long and good night. So long and good night. Wow, yes, I remember. Yes.
So high.
I just as it ended, I too remembered.
Yes. On the
So
same page.
I was like, oh,
Good
right,
thing.
yeah. Yeah, it's a half step up, and then there we go. Zion Cage, Totolino, Maker Plays, DJ. Thank you so much, and of course, again, Jory Avner, one of Twitch's finest. Jory Avner music really has
good.
so
Yes.
good.
Oh my gosh, so good.
Oh, yeah, that's very good.
We'll sing for 7 or 8 hours on a given day, covers and originals, and just frickin' just fantastic vibes. Love the dude. Thank you again so much for being here.
Thank you, Margaret, for the shout out.
Thank you.
And I was saying because he moved to the Netherlands, we have a very good chance of seeing him sometime in the future.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
It's not set in stone, of course, but it's
I didn't even know
if you're
that. That's
around.
amazing. That's cool.
yeah, it's very cool. Yeah, of course, absolutely.
it.
Yeah, we're gonna be coming out, so very excited to have you. All right, let's do a song.
We're
Let's,
gonna do teenagers. We're gonna do teenagers.
we're gonna do teenage. Okay, great. Yeah, great.
MCR.
All
It's
right.
a little mini.
More-
It's
more-
a
more-
baby rock block.
That's a pebble.
Within-
It's a rock pebble.
It's a rock
Rock
pebble.
pebble.
It's a rock pebble.
I'm ready to rock and roll and stop
Pebble.
thwacking my face into a microphone. It's fine. I keep thwacking. It's not supposed to be here. It's not usually this here. I'm usually back a little bit. You know. All right. Can you do me a favor?
All
Just
right.
you have the lyrics though.
Yeah, they have the lyrics.
You have
want
the
mine?
lyrics?
Yeah, can you see it?
That sucks.
Not
All right.
really.
No, I can't. No, I need. I'm gonna need a screen. The
You need to
are
scream?
I need the screens. All right. We'll do it. Helena. Nope.
Nope. Teenagers.
All right. I'm getting very
Just did
tired.
Helena.
You know what it is? I'm very excited for dinner. You know?
Dinner.
It'll be here when we
Dinner's on
raid
the
out.
way.
Can we just move this over a little bit?
Yeah, of course you can. Yeah.
Can I hold anything?
Yeah.
Just our hearts.
Just our hearts.
Go on a little onto them. All right,
Done.
thank you.
I'll
Yeah.
protect them.
They're in your
nice.
hand.
I mean, you can throw mine like a snowball. It's fine.
Not in my pocket though.
We're eating Thai food.
We're gonna have some Thai.
It's gonna be delicious.
It's gonna be good.
What key is it?
It's gonna do it in C.
C.
We're gonna do it just straight up in C,
Taylor.
and just put a little stank on it if you could.
Key of Taylor.
Yeah, we're gonna do it in Kia Talo with a little stank.
Think.
Well, yeah, with just like a little bit of stank.
Vibing right now.
Right? For reals. All right. And because we don't have it on the menu right now.
Oh. Is there a mod in there? Where's my phone?
What, teenagers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
Yes. I already have it on Spotify.
Oh, okay.
I already have it on here. We
We don't have it on here.
We don't have it on here. I mean, unless you need it for anything. The choruses are very repetitive. You got it right there? Okay.
oh, I know the song.
You got that?
He knows it.
And there goes one to me.
this is them.
Yeah.
No.
Yep.
God would name.
Can you put teenagers up on the list?
Court. Hi, Court.
Court, can you
number
do
one,
Teenagers as
please.
my song, pretty please? Hi, Court.
Clean up their
Good to
looks
see you.
to make a city.
Swearing allegiance.
Yeah, I think we can swear, Night Angel. I think it's
Oh,
okay.
yeah.
You can say
No,
you can say boobs and butts. That's it though. That's all you can say.
All right, so you got that. I got this. They got that. We're good.
Yeah, I think we're good. Between all of us, we're good. Yeah, I think we're
Get
fine.
some-
I think what it is, we're fine. Yeah.
Thank you, Court.
It's called
Washington
Teenagers.
changes.
Here we go.
Oh, okay.
I came up on the screen here, so there we go. Okay. You got nothing? Here, I got you.
Hi, Ono.
Good to see you, Ono.
Boobs.
And Half Cat Cat.
Boobs.
What? Who said boobs?
Boobs.
Boobs.
Ono said boobs.
Hi, Liam.
Hi, Sky Cat.
Good, good.
It's 1, 2, hold on. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Okay, but I'm gonna sing this time. And you feel good, Kevin?
Yeah, good.
All right, but I'm gonna sing this time.
Night show, what's up?
Hi, Ninja.
1, 2, 3. They're gonna clean up your looks with all the lies in the books to make a citizen out of you. Because they sleep with a gun and keep an eye on your son so they can watch all the things you do. Because the drugs never work, they're gonna give you a smirk, 'cause they got methods of keeping you clean. They're gonna rip off your ends, your aspirations to shreds, another cog in the murder machine. They said now, teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So dog in your clothes, I'll strike the violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. The boys and girls in the clique, the awful names that they stick. You're never gonna fit in much, kid. But if you're troubled and hurt, what you got under your shirt will make them pay for the things that they did. They said now, teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Oh, oh. I don't remember. They said that teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. All together now. Teenagers scared the living shit out of me. They could care less as long as someone will bleed. So darken your clothes or strike a violent pose. Maybe they'll leave you alone, but not me. Now, now, now. Yeah, okay, all right. Hong Kong.
Yay! That was fun.
That song. Thank you so much. Yep, nope. Taylor loves that song. She loves singing that at teenagers. She does. She does not care for the teenagers. So
Dang youths.
I get it. All right, we're gonna go real fast into this next one. I want to keep moving at our punk rock pace if we
Yeah,
could,
what do you
as
wanna do?
we rock through. It's 6:04 right now on the East Coast. Thank you, MJ, Toto, Nanja, Zoidberg. Thank you all, Jazzy again. We appreciate you. We're doing 1 week, babies. All right.
It's weird.
Side note, rock block.
Side note, rock block. Now you
Tangent rock block.
now here's the thing. Y'all take the vocals on this, and I do the little guitar thing. Yeah.
Wow, wow.
All right, but we're gonna do a little bit faster this time. Yeah.
We got you.
It's been. I think that's gonna be.
It's
Right, if I keep it on the screen. And again, we are raising funds. Thank you, Johnny Hall. Thank you, Liam. Thank you, Mary Starfly. It's always good to see Mary Starfly here. Welcome in. If y'all like what you're hearing, please go ahead and throw a follow. My name is Ferdane from Ferdane and Friends. Of course, Taylor Two Kitties is also a streamer. She streams variety stuff and games and yoga. And Dermo, look at you coming in, Dermo. Hi,
Insert
Dermo.
Dermo Ray call. Love it.
Very good.
Ray call not found. I got it.
Hi, welcome.
Can you gain them up for lead for Dane, or maybe gain you down a little bit too? I can just like step away from the. I can step away a little bit. You know, I could just move up that.
Hi and welcome
Yeah.
in.
Yay! Welcome, you guys. Thank you.
He's Ferdane from Ferdane and Friends. He's doing stuff with tech.
I'm doing stuff with tech, yeah, for sure.
I
You
told
know,
you kitties.
so yeah, she's still.
It's my birthday.
It's
Thanks
my
for coming in.
birthday.
It's my birthday. She's
Get
fancy
paid?
goat, because she's a goat. And Kevin's
cream.
Cafe Live.
Yay!
From Kevin's Keys at
Hey.
That's right. The new established band. Thank you also again so much for being here. Of course, we were raising funds to Streamborn Music Streamer Showcase. Exclamation Dono should get you that link now. We are raising funds. We're going to be in Leeuwarden August 28th and 29th of this year. That's in the Netherlands, of course. The Great Maker Plays is responsible for setting up this whole thing. This is the third year we're doing it. We've got some fantastic special featured guests, both in chat with us right now and coming up in August. So thank you all again for being here. And if you want to grab a song, Dermo, we're close to the end, but on my song list, exclamation SL will get you a number of songs there. If there's any in particular that you like, we'll bump it right up to the next song. Right now, we do have a couple of redeems we're getting through. 1 week is next for Liam, who donated probably about an hour and a half ago. Yeah.
Thank you again, Liam.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you so much again. Yeah, we do appreciate you all so much. And Nanj says, and also happy birthday, Taylor, of course.
thank you,
We love that, Nanj. Nanj is going to bed. Remember that you're loved, strong, beautiful, and important.
Can we get an Anjik? A shout
No,
out,
you.
please?
Yeah, and no one, including you, should tell you otherwise. Yeah, it was nice. All right, let's do 1 week. We're gonna rock and roll because we got just under an hour now, and then we're gonna be getting out of here. So I know we're going to Willie Sand Music in 7 p.m. Eastern. I know Willie's great. We love
Have we
Willie.
ever rated Willie?
I've rated a couple.
You have?
It's been a while though. He
So
streams
dance
in our
band.
mornings usually. So
Got
yeah,
you.
he's
So
on
it's not
like.
really- We don't cross many paths.
Unfortunately, yeah. I think it's far past their bedtime by the time we usually play, but
Gotcha.
not tonight. So
Not tonight.
not tonight.
Not tonight.
Not tonight. Tonight. Do you want to DeLonge this one?
We can do this, absolutely.
Let's DeLonge this.
It's gonna be even harder because of all the words.
It's beyond,
Let's-
you know.
Man.
All right, gang. We're gonna
How does
DeLonge
Huddy-
this song.
What ways did you like to me?
Got your head to the side instead of angry.
Oh, that's good though.
5 days since you laughed at me and said, May.
May.
Okay, it's the May. It's
May.
Bien.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do this, we can do this.
Boss man, we sure will. Don't worry.
I think Keysight might have failed on you, free day.
What do you say?
Keysight might have failed on you.
Erner.
Oh, for the love of God.
It's okay. It's
all good.
I give up. I give up. All right, you know what, OBS, you do the streams. then.
Willie's a
All right?
fantastic
That's
guitarist.
fine.
I love me some guitar.
I love
wish-
Willie Send music.
I wish
Yes.
I could play.
And good to see you, boss man. Good, welcome in.
Oh, that is such that's
welcome.
a perfect vibe
It's just such a good vibe.
for when we eat our dinner.
Oh, I can't wait to
Some
eat
guitar.
that dinner though. I know, right? I'm gonna eat and listen. Oh, so good.
We're gonna eat it up, everything. Eat all of it up, all of you.
All right, gang. You want to do it?
We're doing it.
Do it.
One. No. Hold on. No.
What are our chords now?
Yeah, wait, it's something like.
Yeah,
there we go.
Wait, it's
Oh yeah, that helps. That love it. Oh, it's Delange too.
Oh, yes.
5, 6, 7. It's been 1 week since you
so
looked
sorry.
at
I'm
me.
so sorry. I'm so sorry. I know, but it wasn't the freaking scroller, man. It should just know. All right, it was 5, 6, 7.
It's been 1 week since you looked at me. Got your head to the side instead of angry. 5 days since you left me. Saying get that together, come back and see me. 3 days since the living room. I realized it's all my fault, but couldn't tell you. Today, you've forgiven me. Just give me some taste, so I say I'm sorry.
Now what's the hoodwink? And make you stop think.
You think you're looking at Aquaman. It's some fish, just a little like the shell. It's just like the sushi, cause they never touch a frying pan. Hot like we're something when it busts rhymes. You look like the end prize. It's all about value. Bird campers got the mad hits. Try to match wits. Try to hold me, but it busts through. Gonna make you break and take a fake. I'm like a sticky, you can shake. I'm like vanilla. It's the finest of the flavors. Gonna see the show, cause then you'll know the vertigo's gonna go. Cause it's a date and you have to sign a waiver. I can't help it, ever think it's funny when you're mad. Trying hard not to smile, though I feel bad. Got a funny guy who laughs at a funeral. Can't understand what I mean, well you soon will. I have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. Have a history of taking up my shirt. 1 week since you looked at me. Throw your arms in the air, such a crazy. 5 days since you tackled me. But that's a conference on the for me. It's been 3 days in the afternoon. Realize it's all my fault. so cute, say you're sorry. Oh my god, it's a workout.
The Chinese chicken. You have a drumstick and your brain's sassy. Watch the next Files with no lights on. It's on the Maison. I hope the smoking man's in this one. Harrison Ford getting frantic. It's like a standard trick. I'm guaranteed to satisfy. Like Kurosawa, I make bad films. I don't make films.
Did they have a samurai? Can I get to it? The color of my time, dining, not just on my eyes. I'm flying off the backs. I got getting into a Sailor Moon, cause that cartoon's got the boom and it makes me think the wrong thing. Think it's funny when you're bad. Trying hard not to smile, though I feel bad. I'm the kind of guy who laughs at a funeral. Can't understand what I mean. You see it well. Have a tendency to wear my mind on my sleeve. I have a history of losing my shirt. This been 1 week. Look at me. Trapped your arms. The island that oh, sorry, guys. 5 days since I laughed at you. You said you just to judge what I thought you were gonna do. 3 days since the live day prayer. Realize it was the blame, but what we need to yesterday. Just smile at me. Today, so we say we're sorry. Today, so we say we're sorry. Sorry. Today, so we say we're sorry. Birchmount Stadium, home of the Robbie. Balloons. And on G.
Bravo. Bravo. Oh. Exquisite. Bellissima. Bravo. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Truly been to the launch.
Best thing ever.
That was so dope though. Oh my goodness.
Thank you, Liam, for that.
I don't even know if I don't think I have my DeLonge active right now. I didn't see him.
Tens across the board from Court.
Incredible. My God.
Sometimes you're just lucky to be part of a moment.
It's just a moment.
Just a moment in time, you know, just beautiful.
The only version
Everyone hears.
Yes.
Oh, I love
Only
it so
DeLonge.
much. Oh my goodness.
DeLonge.
We're doing 2 Princes for scat now. That's fun. That is
Yes.
fun. Was this on the list, Taylor? Said if
It's on their list.
It's on their list. All right, fair enough.
And I'm like, that'll be fun to play.
What do you? I can sing it, but I don't know if we normally. What do we do it in?
Thank you, always a smile.
I think this is the. You do it in A? Okay, yeah. Yeah. And thank you, Always a Smile, for the 50 bits. Appreciate you so much. Always a Smile is always so
You can
generous.
feel my butt making like butt prints in those bends.
Ooh,
You're making butt prints, are you? I love that.
Yeah.
I love that. All right. I'm making this very hot right now. I'm just gonna say.
Yeah. If you, I don't know
My
if you
seat gets
guys
very
have,
hot.
have popped into any of his streams where I sat in his seat and it was very
It's
warm.
it's toasty.
It's very
Very
toasty,
toasty.
but not wet. It's still
It's
dry.
not wet.
Yeah. All right, I just want to be
It's
clear.
very warm.
Then it might as well be wet. It's that warm.
And a great time to welcome in Confused and Horny for the first time. Welcome
Hi.
in. Yeah.
Hi.
I'm just explaining how my seat gets hot, but it's not wet. All right, it's fine. All
How
right.
appropriate.
Yeah.
Hi, how you doing?
Right.
How's it,
All responses have been. Oh. What does that mean?
been.
Oh, AI responses have been disabled in this channel. Oh, I got you. Welcome in, Confused and Horny. Yeah. My name is Ferdane from Ferdane Friends. These are our friends Kevin and BB, and of course, Tale of Two Kitties' birthday. Welcome in, y'all. We're gonna do princes who kneel before you. You know, that's what I say now. So.
Oh, Cord is here. Okay. Cord Jaggy. Cord Jaggy's engaged.
Oh yeah, we're gonna need hella heavy court shakers. Oh, that's way too fast. All right.
That's refusing service. Nightbutt. Is it Nightbutt?
I think it's
Whose butt?
night butt.
Whose
yeah.
butt?
Did their night butt come into our night butt? What?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What?
Oh.
Hello, night butt.
Cord Jaggy as well.
You know what? They're not the only ones confused and horny right now. Then.
I know. You came in the chat and now we're confused and horny. I don't know.
I'm always confused and horny.
That's amazing. Cord
One,
Jaggy.
two, princes
Thank
kneel
you, Cord. Thank you,
before
Cord, for the
you.
Cord
shaking.
shakies.
It's what I say
Cord.
now. I think I can go slower than this. Go slower than this. There we go. All right. All right.
Cord Shakers? Right?
Feels good?
Okay.
2, 1, 2. Princess nailed it for you. That's what I said now, princess. Princess who adore you.
Just go ahead now, one head, diamonds in his pockets. That's some bread now, this one.
But he wants to buy you rockets.
Ain't in his head now,
This one got a princely racket.
that's what I say now. Got some big seal upon his jacket. Ain't in his head now, you marry him. Your father will condone you. And how about that now, you marry me. Your father will disown you. He'll eat his hat now, marry him, marry me. I'm the one that loves it, baby, can't you see? Ain't got no future or family tree.
I know what a prince and lover ought to be. I know what a prince and lover ought to be.
And if you want to call me baby, just go ahead now. If you like to call me baby, just go ahead now. If you want to buy me flowers, just go ahead now. If you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. Renee Solo, let's go! Say 1, 2, hey, princess, nailed it for you. That's what I say now, princess. Princess who adore you. Just go ahead now, one has diamonds in his pockets. And that's some bread now, this one who wants to buy you rockets. Ain't in his head now, marry him, marry me. I'm the one who loves you, baby, can't you see? Ain't got no future or family tree. I know what a prince and lover ought to be.
I know what a prince and lover ought to be.
If you want to call me baby, just go ahead now. If you like to call me baby, just go ahead now. If you want to buy me flowers, just go ahead now. If you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. If you want to call me baby, just go ahead now. If you like to tell me maybe, just go ahead now. If you like to buy me flowers, just go ahead now. And if you like to talk for hours, just go ahead now. If you want to call me baby, just go ahead.
Leon Pratt.
And if you want to
Tell me, lady,
just go ahead
go
now.
ahead now.
Want to buy me flowers, just go ahead.
Go ahead now.
You'd like to talk for hours, just go ahead now.
Welcome in, Leon Pratt.
Go ahead now. What's up?
Welcome in,
Go
Pyro.
ahead now.
Bruno Silva, welcome in. Leon Brad, come on.
Just go ahead
Go
now.
ahead now.
Gang, welcome in. My name is Ferdane from Ferdane and Friends. So grateful to make your acquaintance finally, Leon Brad. Welcome in.
Hi, welcome.
Good to see you,
Leon Broad, of course, is legendary Twitch familiar around these parts.
Amazing.
Of course, I'm here with my good friends. Oh my goodness, everyone's disappeared. No, we're still here. Kevin and BB from Kevin's Cafe Live, and of course, my lovely wife, the Tale of Two Kitties, right up there, who's celebrating her birthday. Welcome in,
birthday
everybody.
wife.
We're here in somewhere in Northwest New Jersey, singing songs and raising funds for the Streamborn Music Streamer Showcase, created by the great and wonderful Maker Plays. Thank you all so much for being here, and thank you all for the follows. Again, if you're here for the first time and you like what you're hearing, please go ahead and throw a follow. I usually do loops and I make songs up on the spot. Here we're doing a special set list. Welcome in, Pyro. Always good to see you. How would you say that? How would you say that name? I want to say Stacy, but it's not. I know it's not wrong. But I know, but that's not right.
Stacy.
Welcome in. Good to see you.
That's how I say.
Thank you, MJ. Thank you, Maker. Toto. Stanley Ford.
Toto.
Welcome in.
Hi, Brad.
Pyrocaz, of course.
Hi, Brad.
Also a legend. Bruno Silva. And welcome in, all friends. Thank you so much. Lauren the Villager. Melanie J. Mel Nile Jane. Starburst Mel. Welcome in. Thank you again so much. JJ. Again, my name is Ferdane from Ferdane Friends, and so glad you're here.
Welcome aboard the train.
We got 40 minutes left before we're gonna raid into Willie Send
The
music.
next station.
So while we would love to take a request, if you want to take a look at our set list, !SL, the songs are pre-programmed into the queue. But if there's one in particular you want to hear, we will blast it right up to the top.
Do it.
Leon, how was your stream? Always good to see you, man. Leon is, freaking awesome at everything they do. Just
pro,
everything.
right?
Yeah, literally.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. I some of the first videos on the.
for sure.
I was gonna say when I got the RC600, some of the first videos I was watching were Leon's videos on YouTube
point.
on how to do it. Like it's
do watch
really.
them.
I've
those
watched
videos.
Leon's videos to timestamp our VODs.
The
as well. It's the inspo for that.
Leon.
So
Such
thank you, Leon.
so good what they did
Thank
for
you for
sure,
your inspo.
and wonderful musician. So grateful. Thank you
And
for
your
this
craft.
raid. Oh yeah, and you're so good at arts and crafts. And,
And arts and crafts. It's so true.
Leon was IRL gigging. All right,
None
well,
of those nice things.
Oh yes.
Please pass along the
Someone tell me you said nice
message.
stuff.
you know what, Leon's crowd. If you want to pass it along, yeah, we appreciate that. All right, well, in the meantime, then I designate Pyro. Pyro, if you want to grab a song from the preordained set list, you choose and put it in
Bump it up.
the preordained. I don't know why I'm saying it.
Preordained.
Something like that.
That sounds so fit.
It came from the Lord above or the Lord below. You can't be sure.
I heard it.
Only one for the Great Maker Plays. Let's do that. And then we got to do Ants Marching for Toto. I don't know that we're going to get through the rock blocks. I'm going to be at this point.
You could do like a couple from each.
Yeah, I was going to say we'll do our best.
faves.
We'll rock right through them.
Because I can play it.
Ooh, yes.
Pyro has the power. Yeah, that's right. We're giving Pyro the power. Because normally, the ones who contain fire wouldn't have power. But no, they're some of the most powerful. Hi, Steven.
Steven.
Good to see
Hi,
you.
Steven.
You're right. There's got to be a queso 6.5. Okay, so at least as far as milestones, we've reached almost all of them. The only one remaining is for 600 euros. The quesos will get together and do a karaoke stream. We'll probably like 6-7 o'clock. Have a nice little party and just one weekend and do that.
That would be so fun.
Right? Wouldn't that be fun? And like we don't have to worry about playing instruments or
Oh
stuff.
my
We just sing.
gosh, we just sing.
It'd be so nice to sing for once. Honest to God.
Court.
Sometimes I just feel like throwing my guitars into the fire and just singing. Like I just.
You can sing without doing that.
I can do. Yeah. All right. Fair enough.
Final milestone.
224 euros away from that. Court has a troll. Yeah, he sure does. It's so dark though too. I can't. Oh, there it is. Yep. Love it. Love that so much. All right, there we go.
right.
It needed to exist. He's right about that. Absolutely. All right, we're gonna play only one for Maker.
only
Who is our only one? All right. There's only one man
only one.
capable of putting together such an amazing show and raid train along with it and everything. So we're just so happy.
Mocker plays.
To
Mocker
know-
plays.
Oh, yeah.
Davey song.
Oh, Davey.
Mocker plays. Mocker plays. So catchy. Ah.
Mr.
Davey, you
Brightside.
gotta jump in.
Well, that's interesting. We had Mr. Brightside on the list too.
They did.
Ah, that's good. That's good. All right, it's good.
And when you first saw it on my list, you were like, yeah, I can find that.
Yeah.
The hubris of earlier in the week for Dane.
Oh, pass for Dane.
Yeah, past for Dane can do everything. Curtain for Dane's like, I don't know.
Davey.
Davey.
Hi,
Marketplace.
Marketplace. Sorry, we don't know the lyrics.
Marketplace.
Marketplace.
That's
Mom
the track by
spaghetti.
Davey.
Mom spaghetti.
That's awesome.
How do we listen to that, Davey?
Oh yeah, is it on streaming services?
I don't know.
Whole wide world knows Marketplace.
Oh yeah, there we go.
That's it.
Oh, I
Oh
predict
my
the
gosh,
riot.
it can only be sung by you, Davey. So.
I predict a riot. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. It's an E. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. Yeah. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. Oh, I predict the riot. I predict a riot. We got time for this. One more. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. Oh, I predict a riot. I predict a riot. Go follow Davey's eating a sandwich.
Hey, shout out, Davey.
So we're doing Brightside, Mr. Brightside.
But we're gonna do only one.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get to Mr. Brightside eventually.
That's
Yeah,
Davey.
definitely eventually.
Yay, thank you, Market.
So what do you do normally?
We're doing A.
Or do-
But also follow Marker, of course. Follow everyone.
Okay, so the intro that would start with the first note of A.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Because, what's his name?
I went all the way.
Heart's lead singer.
William Ryan Key.
Yeah, William Ryan Key. Such a high
WRK.
voice.
Yeah, he does have such a high voice, though. You know, he's also a streamer. Well, he was a streamer on Twitch. I don't know if he's
Yeah,
still.
I think he
He was.
streams from time to time.
Yeah.
Does it
It's
from time to
Johnny
time?
O's one of his.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that. I can just do this in A.
Same vein, maybe.
Same, yeah.
You digital.
Is this still back in C sharp minor to start that? Right. That
Uh,
doesn't seem right. Did it change? No, right? That didn't change with it.
oh, it didn't change.
It didn't change. I see it. Yeah, no. All right. I was gonna
You can do
say.
it in the OG King.
I know. I'll just follow. I'll just follow you.
Okay.
I'm gonna follow. It's fine. I got that ear for it.
Okay.
I've played this
Got
before.
ears.
I've
Got
got
them
ears.
ears.
I got them ears. I can just pick it up. It's fine.
Got them ears.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah, I think so. And we're gonna...
Wait, it's changing now.
It's there.
Wait, it's just go up.
Oh, it did
one,
change.
Go
Oh,
up two.
oh, it did. Oh, okay.
It was just sleepy.
It was sleepy. Well, it's not the only one. I
It's
go
like
up two.
a guy.
Guy. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh.
Oh, yay!
Yes,
There we go.
Jans.
Awesome.
Okay, yeah. Jans. All right. I don't know why I said that.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, 224.65. Wow.
Wait, is this so we
That's the
can get
600.
to the 600?
Oh my god!
Insanity. That makes it 600.
Wrestling God! What?
Guys, wait.
Congratulations.
High
Thank you all so
fives.
much. We're going to do high fives?
High fives.
Five.
Oh.
Oh, us quesos come together. Us quesos come forward. Yeah, we do air five over
Air
there.
fives on the left.
Right. I don't have the gadget
We're
arms.
doing a
Yeah.
karaoke stream.
Nice.
Wrestling God, so
Wrestling God,
generous.
Thank you
Awesome,
so
thank
much.
you. Woo!
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
I can't. I
I'm
can
so excited to
hardly
meet you, by
even.
the way. Wait, we've seen you already.
Yeah,
Never
we've
mind.
seen TW.
To see you again.
We're excited. Well,
We-
this
oh, we
this
need more
quadrant is
photos. Yeah, that
excited
half of the
then.
room.
On this
For
side of the
sure.
room, over her.
For sure. Cool. Yeah. No. Absolutely. I
We
did
need
see.
more photos.
We're very excited about meeting.
Yes.
Oh my
Yeah.
god, more than ever. So thank you again, Wrestling
Thank
God.
you
That
so
was
much.
really
Amazing.
generous.
Yeah.
All our milestones have been hit. Thank you so much.
Yes.
We're gonna continue playing songs for you.
Okay.
Wrestling God, if there's a song on the list you want to pop
We'll
up
bump
to
it
the,
up.
we'll pump it up to the next.
We're gonna pump it up like
up.
Davey would.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, after Pyros though, we're gonna do it after Pyros. I don't want to. But thank you again so much. That's just absolutely gorgeous.
Follow that Streamborn show.
Follow the Streamborn
Think what I'm
Showcase.
thinking.
What are you thinking?
Sorry, we're just having a little discussion in the chat.
With TW.
We need to have some like.
I was thinking,
little
what
photo
you're
shoot, you guys.
thinking. Oh, and Maker, thank you so much for the gift sub to Wrestling God just now.
Thank you.
Appreciate you.
Margaret.
Bruno Silva, thank you so much for the follow. Stacy, I think, thank you very much for the follow.
Yeah.
Appreciate you all so very much. All right.
Guys.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, dark.
I wish we could go. Oh, wow.
I feel like We sort of are. Someone change the lights. I think.
If someone changes the lights to like say dark blue or purple or something,
Yes.
or Smurf blue or something like that.
Yeah. Showcase that.
So the Lumia lights are free. If you just do exclamation lights in a color, you will get that color. You can give it a try. It's fine. They're
Yeah,
free
it's
for everybody.
exclamation color. And then a color.
All right. We're gonna do a song.
Broken is fragile and I can't pick up the pieces. I thought my words on the ground. I can't give you a reason. You're so broken, so broken. I give up. Just wanna tell you so you know. Here I go, scream my lungs out, try to get to you. You are my only one. I let go. There's just no one gets me like you do. You are my only one.
Welcome in, everybody. Thank you so much for the raid. Oh my
see you, Trash
goodness.
Sickness.
Sickness. Cool. Yeah. Welcome in. White Sunset. Welcome in.
Sickness. Oh, sorry. Sickness. Sorry. Hi. Thank you.
Trash, of course. Beth, welcome in. Mia Flowers, Ryder, welcome in. Go Zoidberg. And of course, Court. And of course, the coward. All right. Trash, what were you doing today? And welcome in, my friend. Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hi.
Hi, everybody. My name is Ferdane from Ferdane Friends. Y'all know this, of course. I'm here with my wife, Tale of Two Kitties, who's celebrating a birthday.
Hey.
Our good friend BB the Goat.
Hi.
And Kevin Chambers Music. He's from Kevin's Cafe Live. Kevin Keys After Dark, of course. We are here. Oh my goodness, Pat! Come on, Pat! How you doing? Thank you again so much for the.
Thank you, Pat.
We're overwhelmed here with the amount of. Oh my goodness, this is so great.
And you're so busy. Thank you so much, Pat, for taking your time.
Thank you.
You always do.
Time out of your busy schedule. I just love that so much.
Time.
We are unfortunately we are getting to the point. We got 23 minutes left. We're just trying to get as many things in as we can. So I would say at this point,
Do you have a Blink-182 or a Green Day request that's on there?
yes,
We'll do those.
Yes.
For sure, because we're
we're gonna run out of time. We're definitely gonna run out of time. Yeah, no, I think it's for short. We're gonna do Ants Marching right now for Toto.
Toto.
Yeah, if you want to pick a Blink or a Green Day song, that would be fantastic.
Yeah.
I,
Oh, yeah. What's this one?
I'm gonna
That looks like the
raise
mochi.
the-
So ube, like mochi.
can't wait to have some.
Here.
keep looking at it.
I know,
I want
right?
it. I want it. I want it in my
Oh,
mouth.
every song
had
at
no
200
food.
BPM, we got it.
And then
Court.
it's like
Let's do it.
cassava. I know, I didn't cut
I've had no food.
Bite it. Oh, okay.
Papa's so hungry.
Oh my goodness. Do you
But we've been
want
raising
this?
funds. I don't want to eat now.
The
No,
brownie, though,
no. I want to
is-
keep
is
singing.
crunchy. Okay, yeah.
I want to keep singing.
Going is like
It's not just a.
Yeah, it's a mochi. It's mochi, so it's gonna be.
I like how fast you're doing it. We should do it that.
200 BPM. That's
200
what Court
BPM. That's the only way to get through it. Yeah, for sure.
Court, I like how
said.
you
Autumn,
think.
good to see you.
Autumn's here.
delicious.
Ube. I know
Ube.
Autumn. It's from that
Ube.
place that we got
Oh,
ice
yeah.
cream from once
With,
before.
Oh, we got the place for the ice cream.
they brought like all the ube things.
We were
They
like,
were like
Ube.
Circular Planner,
Ube.
please.
we're like, Ube. We need you to have the good stuff, the good Ube.
You know what I mean? The good
Yeah.
stuff. Come on. Yeah.
And
All
I
right.
can't. Like, there's not like a flavor that's like
I know,
coming to
right?
mind.
But
like,
it's just so pleasant.
and it's not too sweet.
No, that's the
It's not.
best
But it's
part
still
of
sweet
it.
enough where it's not like, oh, this is bland.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You get it.
I like to think.
She
I like to
gets it.
think she skirts that line. Absolutely. You know.
I like
It's
it
a
was
delicate line.
purple.
Mhm.
It was purple.
What,
Never bland.
What key are you doing?
I think in D. I think we just do it in normal D's. Yeah.
Can we have a light? It's not blonde. Can we have exclamation color violet?
Yeah. Can we do violet?
Violet. I like it.
Between your Triton violet
Yeah.
eyes. Oh yeah. All right. It's a little.
Right. She's a little violet.
Oh, she is violet.
Uh-oh.
I did that earlier.
It's so bright. It ruined me.
We try it. What about midnight?
You never like my
blue?
choices?
No, Margaret, we love your choices.
I just have to switch it up. Well,
I live in a world of darkness.
Ice cream. Mia's
I love
got the
all
right
your
idea
choices.
too. Look, Mia said I've been craving ube ice cream. It's like once you.
what about
Start.
midnight
Can't stop.
blue?
I'm gonna try to hang in there, Pat. I know.
Midnight blue. Ooh.
Let's go blue. Let's go bluer.
Midnight
Honestly,
blue.
I think one of these days my wife is gonna kill me with these
It's a
songs.
great fourth
this
wall
one-
coming.
That's
T-shirts.
true.
Midnight
I'm begging for help.
Oh, it did. It works. Midnight blue.
Hey, look, that worked.
Ah,
That worked. That was good.
midnight blue.
You're quite blah.
I think I've ruined this camera somehow. I don't know.
Thank
It's
you,
like
Maker.
it's. I don't know what's happened here. Can we go
Ooh,
down?
I like that one.
Can we go down? Can we go down? Okay, that's better. That's better. All right, that's fine.
We change.
Let's just move on.
Okay.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do Ants Marching, and we're gonna do it not at 200 beats per minute, but we're gonna do it speedy. I'm gonna speedy it.
Speedy.
Speedy.
Something like that. We're gonna do something like that.
Good time dance Martian.
Yeah, something like that.
Who's singing? Okay.
Oh. Okay. Sorry, we didn't know. This exchange, no time to exchange. All the little lights are mine.
Holy moly.
Red and black and tan. They all do it the same. They all do it the same way. Sweet to the touch and the last program, a cut in the controversy. I'm a dancer, not to offend the God.
Welcome to Sanuki. Hi, everybody. Holy moly, shikoli. Oh my god.
I mean, it's okay or whatever, I guess.
Oh, whatever, yeah. No,
I mean, like, I don't even care that like 100 and something people just came in just now. It's fine, man. It's fine. John.
It's like whatever.
Oh, it's like whatever, but also.
But like what?
Hi.
Thank you for
so
the follow to
really?
Free Dane. It's Tanuki.
We are all so very excited to have you here. My name is Verdane from Verdane and Friends. I'm here with the lovely Tale of Two Kitties up above here, whose birthday it is today. To her right is the wonderful and talented BB the Goat. We got a hype train going.
And next to her, Kevin's Cafe Live.
Kevin.
Brought to you by Kevin's Keys.
Kids, you know.
All right, let's.
What you doing?
Now, guys.
Okay, so gang, we got hype train part 2 here. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put.
We're gonna rock through.
Oh, we
We're
gotta
gonna-
rock.
We
Oh,
do need to
we
rock,
have to
rock.
rock.
We just
and
gotta rock
roll,
through.
you guys. We gotta rock.
Oh, we just gotta
and
keep
then
going. Okay,
roll.
yeah, no, you're right about that. I'm so sorry.
Right?
All right.
Is
I don't know Mr. Brightside.
We have
although
14
well,
minutes.
So we
Yeah,
have.
yeah, and Skater Boy.
Don't know Mr. Brett.
Oh wait.
I know.
Wait, so what's next, you guys? Thank you so
Well,
much.
Mr. Brightside's next, so yeah, it's fine. It's gonna be fine. Everything is fine.
Everything is okay.
It's fine.
Have
And
fun,
Skater
guys.
Boy, I love Talo. When you think about the planning that went into this Skater Boy for the next one.
I asked him.
Is it?
I have proof. It's on Discord. I
Sure.
asked him, not with my mouth, but with my keys. I said,
And with your heart.
can you do Skater Boy?
I'm a goofball looper, singer,
And then
songwriter from
and then
Northwest
I
New
sent him
Jersey.
the meme with Avril Lavigne. And then he sent me the same.
He sent me the meme,
and was
Avril
like, how
Avril
dare you
Lavigne.
use the same one?
How dare.
How very dare.
And then yes.
And then yes, and
Because I
conclusion.
want it all. It started out with a kiss.
Is that where you get the evidence?
Like this. Yeah.
Always get
Is this the key you usually do it?
Document.
No, but this is fine. We can sing OG.
You sure?
Let's do OG Key.
Coming
got it?
out of my cage.
Yeah.
Oh no, it all went away, and I'm
It's like
doing
all the
just
same note.
fine. All
Oh
right.
yeah. True. Thank you.
Well, I might as well. I might as well jump on this one. On this grenade.
Cap.
Were we too fast last time? That's
No,
right.
you're cool. Rockstar Aga. Ooh, Rockstar Aga. Yes. Rockstar
You guys are
Aga.
the cool ones. Yeah.
Love that.
I mean, whatever.
You made us all-
but
I
you're the
mean,
cool
whatever
ones.
it is.
Yeah, we don't even care, but
Yeah,
whatever.
This hype train's pretty cool, I guess.
This hype train is pretty cool. We got to rock and roll, gang.
Okay. Sorry. Yes.
Right. It's
Let's go.
Go.
Guys, donate.
yeah, something like that.
Let's say we're donating.
Oh, we're going. Yes.
All right. Out of my cage, I've been doing just fine. It started out as a kiss,
Like this.
it was only a kiss.
It was only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep. And she's calling a cab. Now he's having a smoke. And she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed. And my stomach is sick. And it's all in my head. But she's touching his chest. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go. only a kiss. Now I'm falling asleep, and she's calling in bed. While he's having a smoke, and she's taking a drag. Now they're going to bed, and my stomach is sick, and it's all in my head. And she's touching his dress. Now he takes off her dress. Now let me go. Thank you. Not just in love is giving me. Turn up. Oh my goodness, thank you.
So generous.
Jealousy, turning seas into the sea, turning this to lullaby, choking on your alibi. But it's just a price I pay. Destiny's calling me, open up my ears. Love is the right I never. You didn't see it. Sorry. I never.
That was awesome. I did not realize how good it could turn out. Oh my god, that was awesome.
So,
You
like,
both do
you're
so good.
welcome, like,
So.
I don't know. I'm
Good
ready to say
job,
that.
like.
I don't know if I'm ready to say that.
saw a song that would be fun and good for everyone.
Always listen
And
to
you
your
did.
wife.
Thank you, John Plays Games Live. Appreciate you being here, my friend. Sketchy Tracks,
Exactly.
Wrestling God, Maker Plays, Liam on one, Rockstar Raga,
Hey, everyone.
Staraga.
Thank you guys so much.
Thank you for all the
It's
gifts
awesome.
as well.
Ali
Train's
Reed's
still
music.
going.
Hype
Let's do the next
trains
song.
is up.
Oh my gosh, it's still
We're just gonna
going.
keep rocking
Yeah,
and rolling. We have to. We're almost out of time.
Rocket. Sorry, rock.
It's a rock block.
Yeah.
I don't.
So let's
don't
we
know.
got what is?
I have no idea where the cue went.
I think it went this way?
No. Oh gosh.
So many screens.
Sorry.
It was what? Where did it go?
I'm so sorry. Oh, these-
I guess I could do another
so
one.
sorry.
Hold on, I'll just do another one. Gang, it's fine. I'll just do another one. Streamers long.
Oh gosh.
Why would it break? All right, it's fine. Gang, thank you again so much for the raids. This is incredible. I wish we had the time to acknowledge and say thank you to everybody. So we just say thank you.
Book out of here.
Wrestling Guide wants Skater Boy. Skater Boy is the next one.
Whoa.
Skater. I was a Skater Boy. I don't remember how this one.
Oh, it's Skater Boy.
I don't remember this one at all.
Boy.
Skater boy?
It looks like it's going to be our last, probably.
Rock block it through.
Yeah.
We can rock block it another time
Do you-
too.
Do you
Can we just do?
can have a
I'd
part
like to
two.
do basket case.
you want to do basket case?
This and then basket case.
Well, okay. So the Wrestling God did request
So
this
Put us
though.
over the top.
Okay.
Yeah, to put us over the top with a
Do you-
very
is it cool if
giant,
we do both?
sizable
do both,
donation.
right?
Okay,
Maker, can we do
¿Por qué
some
los
songs?
dos?
Maker, can we do
Hey,
some
Green
more
Guy, good to
songs?
see you, my guy. What's that?
Maker, can
We
do
can't.
some
We can't petition Maker now to take a longer on
We can- yeah.
rating out. Come on.
Read
I
out
love you
of
guys.
Half
Later,
of this
boy.
one and then go into basket.
Ooh, that's a good
Well,
idea.
that's true. That's true. I know the words to basket case, so if we just do it.
Yeah.
Okay,
Do
but
Naka says no yapping in
is a
between.
deal.
Oh,
Let's go.
okay.
No
okay,
yapping in
okay.
between.
No,
Yeah,
you got
yeah,
it. We'll go right
yeah.
into it. Okay, got it.
Yeah. No, transpose didn't work. Okay. Well, I guess we're just.
Send it.
Oh no! Hold on. It did work.
You got 7 minutes.
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to put it in C. I don't. Do you guys do this song?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Well,
We do
Sarah
sometimes,
sent
but
it to
do whatever y'all do.
I mean, I don't. I've never done it before.
Taylor, you do this one?
I
No.
know.
Oh.
No. Taylor's making
We
us
do
do
it
it.
in.
But we all
E.
know the song.
You do it in E? Okay.
Oh, yes.
All right.
I mean, we can all sing the song.
Well, yeah.
Got it, okay.
Yeah. It starts in E.
Here, I'm calling, I'm calling,
Yes.
Okay.
It's episode 7. It's in 7 and 7:15.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
We'll be ready. We'll be ready.
Okay.
We'll be so ready.
So he was a boy, she was a girl. Any more obvious? That one? Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Whatever, man.
Let's go. Go.
A 5, 6, 7.
Oh, I see what you're doing.
He was a boy, she was a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? He was a punk, she did ballet. One morning I said, he wanted her, she never tell. The secret that she wanted him as well. All of her friends stuck up their nose. They had a problem with his back row. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. She had a pretty face for her, it was atmosphere. She needed to come back down to earth. 5 years from now, she sits at home, feeding the baby she's all alone. Turns on TV, guess who she sees? Skater boy rocking on MTV. She calls up her friends, they already know. They bought her tickets to see a show. She tagged along, stepped in the crowd, mad that she turned down. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. He wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Just a pretty face, see what is worth. He was a skater boy, she said, see you later boy. She wasn't good enough for her. Now he's a superstar, slamming on his guitar. Just a pretty face, see what is worth.
Goose, no. Give us goose.
Sorry, girl, but you missed out. What tough luck, that boy's mine now. We are more than just good friends. This is how the story ends. Tonight that you couldn't see the man that boy could be. There is more than meets the eye. See the soul that is inside. He's just a boy, now just a girl. Can I make it any more obvious? We are in love, haven't you heard? How we rock each other's world. I'm with a skater boy, so see you later boy. I'll be backstage after the show. Be at the studio, singing the song we wrote about a girl who used to know. I'm with a skater boy, so see you later boy. I'll backstage after the show. Be at the studio, singing the song we wrote about a girl who used to know.
Into Basket Case. Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes. do
One
it.
more song and then we're going to raid out into Willie Sand Music. Thank you all so very much for being here. Sketchy, everyone, Rockstar Raga, MJ just happy to be here. Totalino, thank you to the mods. Thank you to Maker Place. Thank you everyone who's donated and spent time. Thank you to all the friggin' raids. My name is Ferdane from Ferdane and Friends. I'm a young, I'm not a young streamer, but I'm still just starting out. So y'all want to throw me a follow, I really would appreciate that. We also have a Discord, and we also all of the people you see on the screen are streamers and deserve your follows and love. Zigot, Z flat Zigot.
Cafe Live.
Kevin's Cafe Live, of course, of course.
Drama.
Oh my goodness, and Tale
Tales
of
of
Two
Kitties.
Kitties.
Fucker's like, no, yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, no yapping.
We're yapping. We're yapping.
Let's yap.
It's gonna be in C.
Yeah, we got it. Let's go.
Do you have the time to listen to me whine about nothing and everything all at once? I'm one of those melodramatic fools, neurotic to the bone, no doubt about it. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid, or am I stoned? I went to a shrink to analyze my dreams. She said it's lack of sex that's bringing me down. I went to a whore. He said my life's a bore. So quit my wanting cause it's bringing her down. Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid or a stone?
I want to thank you all so much for being here today.
Thank you, Mike. Mike, you're so wonderful.
Ask me to control, so I better hold on.
We're gonna go right into Willie Sad Music next. Seriously, thank you all for the love and support you've shown us today. Happy birthday, Taylor. Thank you, BB and Kevin, for being here. Go follow them. Oh my goodness, you gotta go.
Gotta go, y'all. Thank you so much.
One more chorus.
Sometimes I give myself the creeps. Sometimes my mind plays tricks on me. It all keeps adding up. I think I'm cracking up. Am I just paranoid? Are we stoned?
Gang, I'm Verdane from Verdane and Friends. Thank you all so much for your love and support today. Thank you all the mods. Thank you, Lenny. Thank you, Toto. Thank you, Maker. Thank you, Pyro.
Tomorrow. I mean, maybe soon.
We're gonna, Kevin and BB will be back tomorrow.
It continues tomorrow, y'all. Know you.
Know you. Good night. Good night.
Honk, honk.
Happy birthday, Taylor, Hong Kong.
Happy birthday, Taylor. Honk, honk.
Happy show.
Thank you. We love you so much.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.